lakini kura atajiona 97 still chaura na chikura. That's when Kibaki na Matiba ba ingiro kuri nyingi kuru kinyacha moyo actually keda mtu mono ronga mera lingejukia getiti that time na no kona 2002 ura kura cha lingirwe so mu Mount Kenya na ijekene na akamwa gintu that's it kedra no muthuririe kedra no muendere uri akamwa gutena we ni wakara so daiji nande atwira ne uma Mount Kenya ni nyekete muno thirikari ije na nio eringire thirikari ije kura kweli no tukalika na 2022 itwaringire ruto kura bwega
Yes.
ya mero twari number 4 kura over 400,000 ke kuringira ruto kura so nande resolve ile twadithirie then na nande tuligwa jaka it's a betrayal ijaka one maisha jatwinyirikite muno economy yetu itegwetania na batu tutegemeaga ukulima biashara itu drive economy ya Kenya itu Mount Kenya na itu kuona nde jaka tutegwetania itu gwakiro ma projects hapa na pale lakini yetu tukuona developments kulingana na uria twajukiri thirikari ni yetu na twamiringira kura secondly mtura twaete imani agatukariria thirikari ici jaweka chagua na ngirwe anda kwingwa mbere ma tona ijaka tukuregewa so anto bambire kwa mu okay ugo gutwingira mture utu convince kana mture wale nwe tona atrisi ijaka tukaritwe tomutwa kunenkera kura nande kwingawe iyo gutunenkera ongi ina nande first of all niki wengire ongi yani that betrayal ni kuonekana outright secondly inya tukuretero kindiki atiromba kutonia ibatui ibatu number 1 kirewe kindiki atoneti iru president akuthikira ngurukie batu wananchi baratu watu alingire thirikari ije kura no tutikindiki twalingire kura thirikari na president Ruto na ndi tukona kwigitu kitegwetena so olukalau nande perception ire ira tonyete ya kwithirwa wa kira twathithirie tikyo twinakyo kira twachwire tikyo twinakyo umutongere twatarire ijaka twinwe maisha jana itunyirikire ana beto bategweta skuru otega civitale uratina dina economy ina dina bado tu yafanyi biashara bado tu realini tutikomba kuona mbezi ile tutura kuona so nandi one antu iba muite no kona if from kala experience antu iba muite nandi tutikwenda dirikali ni mo na ba muite like that then kinyoka abanenkera anything Mount Kenya kana mto mulimo nyo munenkera mbida inande ate utakana ndio ngirijirizo kamunenkera kana ngiriyemwe kana mutungizwa gas kana ngamatrice yangaoti ate utakabiu nande kira kutaka ni one future kwale nkamekaliate kana imbi kona kiri the future of this government so bitro era ne tumetemberema mto mulima ambiria kwebera pole pole kiri dirikali Ruto na nande there's nothing Ruto mbako dhidia kiombo ko muchoke dai actually it will be so difficult no kona outrightly tekte mbecha Ruto akejo tunenkera kenda to convince the development ira tweri project ira nyingi ite kumba kuthiria ndamira twerero mwaka na ro tichio batumiru tauni ya sewage atonyere yambiritwe mwaka na by contractors bakara by change every 2 years o tegea ni dinira twatwere acho dual carriageway ye tweri miru wa uteo so inyana area ndio is just the same project ndiko je ka Ruto aka launch barabara aka ameambiria ende tikurikia nande otega mantu ya jonde it is not about promise anymore tema tuja kombera kero kandidiria kairi imantu ja imbio ndidiretie that's one secondly no komberawa onde mukalio kalauli no komberawa iria ya quality ndirite ontedia na toka antedia karoti chako ite ontedia na toka antedia kana chona thoko kikyo mukalio kalau akwenda Muzunara ni akulima bale enda kuona kitu kile kikabatedia
okay na kile thirikari what does it mean because kuna after elections itio karika kuna atongeria kathumba baratiumiririe kuna nyamu tongeria ro mwa urerere antu ya kwamba niki nondu bura accept ko jukinto bi bura jukire mitungi gas mattress njira ibithetwe ikingi bya kamato kinya kuma rutere rwa imbu bigi ko rutere nerura and all that bapo niki bura accept ku kintu bio kethri bura menya butea candidate ujo kura. Does it mean that kinya thirikari ni rari na expectations kwamba twaretera antu ba into 1 2 3 then by default bakethra bakiringa kura na arapa kwenda baringira kana candidate arapa kwenda ringira kura?
Thirikari ni rageretie kira kionthe upa kuthithia kenda etiendia kira karibara kenda kairibet beba babaringira kura lakini na ndendo kumenya anto ibaije into bibio ndetebia mtu personal tem urora rongina UDA tora letere kingi bya stima thirikari Kenya tora munenkere tora banenkere mutungi gas thirikari Kenya matres chirande kijio okay iche Kenya so na ndem turora dukaye into bibio nde anto baruga yuga to bietu tu tukoyo takauga iore muchina no retera the matres aturetera that would have been a different story lakini ande into bibietu mbecheri kweza te muchina uraeza na i minister okweza na MP na waro kamera uga wengwa nimepeana 1 point something so ndo kuona te pesa chia mtu tukurea tutege ntukia mtu atukurea hii ni ntubia thirikari ko kedari ntubia thirikari no goti bwako so yanka juki what is wrong with that there's nothing lakini teto ma oni ndingira kura muchina no ntuba kwethirwa into biruma kiri thirikari na thirikari rankorera goti so na tena any obligation ya kukunenkera specifically and that's what kuona antu ibrali bakwamua tukatara mtufuna mto DCP antu ibrali bakwamua na bamua this one will be now a lesson kana batwe inyakethera utike to kuona after that lakini hato amua tuenda kujukia this guy of ours tubone nande this is what we want in on direction hato kwenda gwita so inyabale mbeche banenkeri nyige muno ndo kurekana nearly a billion ya constituency voters ngiri 73 re Tatuko is a lot of na barabara lingine kura ingiri 41 41,000 so 41,000 na mtu tumeleta 1 billion na projects chireti cha 13 billion it is not a joke lakini anaona kuona still mwolo kala warugire you know what basi tukwamua tuenda kwita this direction vikyo kya magetu the other thing na itwaritie before 2022 itwakarite tukiuga but na uni especially in the Monde TV that Mount Kenya na tatu tonya kiri thirikari ya Ruto kienyeji Mudavadi yete na ANC no kuona nenkero gitigi kinene na gya protector for the Kenya eza anga o anto bonde ora roba o Mandera eza na kiawe bo bondo tumtura lingidwa lakini batwe tutandi kiboko seriously ndo bakodra batwe tuejira nyombe mtu tuejira ngari ne mtu tutibangite tukiugane yetu na ndene ngari ni yajo kire yetu na hizo tena gendo kya gutetera tutumpo complain taso ko nto bakiuga we utia tuchoke khaire tinde nari ndo bakodra moirere atu tesere twakali o na ndenda aiji anto baliuga tia tukurie DCP eji kana kiama kire tukajitambua kyo na inkona Mount Kenya ora twitite like ribe mabire biga take ngwato buru DCP na Jubilee bibio bire ndo bia na support ya anto bakwendwa ni anto ba Mount Kenya like the two ikagwata na mwera power boy kama
okay ndugachokera ukibiama wakili Olivia kinyawana kuromba kura na kaingie nukwira woke yakwithirwa tina mbeta then maybe kinyakure no wage tonto tibu kana tonto maybe you are not a good leader but because people think that mwashimiwe jana ndoka hivyo ukiato bari dio vere manifesto eku vere 1 2 3 ba wiri no manifesto lakini at the end of the day ukieveroka hivyo mwashimiwe onanda tutiga utebo twira no atia but at the same time akuna leaders baruite sana kuthira bakibiria culture ya no mwankano mtu ni akwendete kana mwashimiwa no mwanka butigire kanto kenda maybe bumuringira kura but at the same time as you fight for that no kona thirikari niye kuija na interview kenda buringira mtu kura ura thirikari kwenda na gitumi kyo to mantu batwani mantu jana ndo bakuthirwa mitungi wengazi matrisi uchi ndo kubiruka na ndo ndo kona bila kinyete nara bitira kinya for the last 4 years ira thirikari gibire toriko lakini ndo bomba election ndo bionda bio kinya nao does it mean that na thirikari according to my thinking ndithugani thirikari batere kuthirwa kivetro ingui ya jweretete gutini nyeni ndie kura into bibyo ndabukiri anto kya kuthira maybe ko ngo baritirite kuoneka. But now as a leader, what do you think should happen kuthiria culture ya anto nandi wewe mutongeri uri ya the last minute guturira anto kira wina kyo gena bakuringira kura na team development ira wewe thire toke bathithiria
na ingwitikiria na jama ingi jaria jaugwa indi what kugite mwambirio it is an indicator, it is not a prediction. Na tuona kinya Olkalau barega handout na bathura mutongeria uria bakwenda kinya kwina handout na icio rari handout inyingi muno. Na of course Kenya twithairwa twina culture iu handout oro kuga mutongeria ejanda keke mwisho akanenkanira. It has been also the culture in North Imenti. North Imenti batura kuga no bateona mutongoria mujumbe wao 4.5 years ndakika mwisho akeja akabanenkera magana jaire magana jatatu na bakaringa kura. That has been the culture. Na culture iu temerwa akiturona countrywide turona culture iu ende tugitega Olkalau na the lessons from Olkalau ito kuona ibarajukire handout ende beta tu baringira muntu uria bakwenda. Na gitega Keni because Olkalau was a by-election that is irejire ke aria turi ndai ke siasa na twitite 2027 elections irari na attention nyingi muno. Na kinya national level etonyera muno parties ya tonyera muno indi uria nkuona de oni de mwana siasa ukochwa gite de ground ndiriona antu baritega tongoria na ideas sera ciao service delivery no kabaitira ngugi na muno quality of the leader. Twathura muntu uri aina capacity guta ngugi akomba gutwitira ngugi no toni the ground inkuthikira antu. And the most important thing came antu jaja elections na 2027 ikuthikira antu. Na ingi tumba gutegera antu kumaja na toka assume ora turauga prediction no twatura mbeca Olkalau bakaturingira kura ende bobongwa imbi bakuga kuinyirwa kuba kuigwa bainyireti monyo kuma 2022 finance bills use sera 2024 2026 ora maisha ja change ite na maisha ja very difficult. Oni kiaria na Anthony unkuigwa bakiuga maisha ja kwa ja kumea they become very hard. My life is hard tugita mbere no komba gutwitira ngugi no komba ngugi twamwa ngugi uri akomba na aina capacity kuita ngugi araita kairi akatu will they deliver for us. So even separating the national politics na local politics na kinya ko separate ora mwananchi akuthugania na party ndiriona we have a long way to go. Mwaka jojo ejete things might shift na tomba kuona antu bate kuthura party muno barithura mutongoria uria bakwenda na bate kuthuga 2 term kana 1 term kan endi bakatega no maendeleo jara chonete kana maisha jakwa ja change itiatia na ga change ata twitite mbere. Of course parties the vehicle is the vehicle that we use as politicians ni tutumaira kukinya the other side. And it is what when we are forming governments you want the numbers and all. And tomba kuona something very different at the local level politics na national level politics. Uningetega Olkalau na gitega kinya North Imenti ngita kia raia na antu inkuona komba kwithirwa antu bagithura baria bakwenda tikinya party muno ende mutongeria uria bakwenda. Na culture iwe handouts ni gwita ikithira kinya uninde ground ine ni gwita ikithira ande antu bate kwenda kunenkerwa individual ati onenkere woni ari bare kinya bakiaria na batu bare twira tutetherie ni kuthithia kintu ki gukiria kiama ki kintu ki gukiria family iji bare shwa projects ira ciomba kutethia antu baba ingi ndikuona antu bakimbitia handout ye muntu umwe.
Oh, wow.
The ground is shifting.
Wow. Tugitoka ki bwana Kathurima ukiotegera maybe igitara manzo za karikiri turone Gachagua and the rest basherekiete sana no to bwa ushindi bwo barambere kuthira bakiona but at the same time president na very relax hiyo ni mwanzo.
Yeye ndio fundi wa siasa.
Sisi ndio fundi wa siasa. Relax. Mkawirwa ni mono, it's not a matter of life and death, but sisi ndio fundi wa siasa. Alikuwa anamaanisha nini? Because now Tugachagua, it's a very big win, but to president urararirie ni yaka irakarire ni yaka maybe arabaete no rawira mtu one or two max alafu amwagataria kama toka kinyara then ukejo muthinga tete no kuma maybe we narwira nkurukiewe. What does that mean?
Membere utegete thirikari na machinery yonde tu.
Yes.
IBC yani thirikari inarali na everything. Lakini all the same Gachagua achinda.
Yes.
Kana DCP achinda. Ugitega Gachagua wengwa ateta on the ground ume. Ateta campaign wengwa on the ground. Hii ilikuwa mambo ya acting secretary general na few MPs.
Yes.
Na MCS na ntobango pale parale on the ground. So katega it was a big gain for Gachagua being not atena gete any yani is not even a chairman of Katodip. Atena any chair. He's just a former deputy president. That's one. Kabiere tutomba kuga aina mbese nyingi ore. Eto TJ. We don't know. No tutaka turegwa na retura mbesa no. Gachagua is not known for that direction. Akibato ande here is a government which ego chiringa kibara seriously that igachi ndakure hii. Azineta chindo. Na that's why they were able kuita na betura mbechiria. Mbechiria chonde bare tori to tutore kwa Gachagua ibare tori te even half even a quarter. Tutore kwa ini. Enondo apart from development. Enjera na mbinambi mbese chakwa jana twigawa ene data turegwa kedra kwena mbese bara ejane
kana mimi kabara ejane alafu tia kunikirwa ni thirikari ndo na tini
lakini mwe tena turaigwa
because they were there also
they were there
yeah
ene tutina turaigwa enyare medu areta na nara kwawe antu bakaya na bakaina ndwembo cia maumo seriously ene tutina okoro barauga tukonenkerwa mbese na kira keto iba changire sami ngirida atachakura suti bagita 10 bobich nande ukataka yani there is no evidence ya kuona DCP walitumia pesa kana jako banenkera anything bai banenkanirite mutungi ngas ina ngas ibanenkanirite matrice kuri baero irato ya wita kanisene ende poko Gachagua tutreigwa nya kinyambi yejene so ukataka with all that and then Gachagua win. You see, near one, maybe UDA kana president na antobawe para tegere bona jojo otina no ane no katoka ya kintu kirene muno iyo tombo chinde lakini hapa ni ngumu no kataka nya they try to threaten me antobo kala what they did perfectly kila kiomba kumira 2027 mwarochia wedro wijia one antoba kakaria kura
Yes.
Technology wise AI nira tumekaira ora linga kura formula kalingwa mbicha elingwa mbicha AI automatically adds the results automatically seconds so technology gatumika 2027 na nira gererwe this time kabire anto bakaumira na bakalinga kura kabidatu there is no amount of threat onto no kuona anto ibarai naona maprado jau ibarai linga risasi ibarai de yambi but no kuona anto baro merire mwaka bakaronge kangalia polisi bakaita anto nyanguo na bakavera songa yani na batukira bapo batena michinga yani baba ngebe na michinga nyabo mbobora so anto bai na karijira kugarande this is ours no mwaka tukali maro tia kuga anto baduka barenda mutongeri so na anto ibakinyetera bakuga utika bagakira kaire no this is our life so lessons you buga president na intelligence yewe etegera ona njo utika tukadithia ai bisinzi nyato meragere kuya utombeka mundurande anto baringe kura bakara 400 meters away lakini bale au bakariti ngareja bakauri ni biwe jirite ya kana muntu uma akoro imbio kamata nande utekubona gukaria kura kuria igukora tumire buga president batega bona jo no gatukora anto ento babinge properly iro tombai kudidi anything nande bakutikana na jo jonde nande anto nabo baringa kura kuringa norai bakwenda. And that's how it happened.
Okay.
Yes.
Tukija kiri IBC, what trust do we have na IBC? No tunakoromba kura no kwenda kitina no gatumira IBC we kinya in 2027 IBC na legal responsibility nyingi muno igite athaire tutitira general elections na kuna lessons antu methirite bakilana by elections itithirwa cikarika in some places na kinya na u olkalau itrona rikwari nando. You can imagine no kona da mugwanja iromi ngari tiandamene ngari nene of which ngari ile menya unikyo kirango cyuri da ngari tiari tiao because and baradona barungi kuna mitingo tombo mbere bo ene ngari ida ngari no moga sidro itie mtu anajielewa na mwenye akona pesa lakini ni tomisi ya kuthithia mantu yara tona bakithithia itonete chaos tiokite kuntu ko kungi muno kingi election is yari mbere and all that but IBC as utibu barathithia to make sure kana tuona at least kububa kuthithia kukavu mantu ya yangu ni simjaro jurire kiri igitara ndere yako ina campaign na rantu baguita campaign ile. What do you think should happen kana na ibo komba ko karika maybe in 2027 because baba ingiba kuwa we are sliding kiri chaos tuchoka na ratwari in 27
kwina green culture iwe gunism na muno ereretwa na aspirants, fellow aspirants na kinya tukaigwa kinya of course government and all these things but most of the time ke oni gutega ibareba kurwira ite biao kana ba kurwira ite kana aspirants generally ibo ba kutumira guns kuringande kana kuringande either baria by kitene by government kana baria by opposition kana anto new people like us who are also trying to get the space na iroto kuona guns use bari tumirwa mono kukiria aspirants mono kana kurigeria antu beta na aria bakwenda bathikira mutongoria ungi kana bakukira kinya gucindwa. Nande tukitega government really it's about enforcing the law, law and order.
Yeah.
Ibo baina machinery, ibo baina mandate, na ibo anene ba security, na ibo baina mandate iweko security wananchi. Ko no bo bakaethra bakithitha investigation, bakigwata antu, prosecution, kenda eta kenyiaga, you know, even just as a deterrent. Na tukona ba those ones who have been involved to be held accountable. Not the goons yaki in the financial share goons, politicians you bako engage goons iji. Non tonio ko kwambiria nuje politician kana mutongeria u akarega ko engage goons goons batethera bagita bongwa tutirona antu basiumirite for free kuita kuura bangi bonde turigwa abakurigwa na baririwa na mutongoria this one or the other. So even as we look at the perpetrators we also have to look at who is financing them. No kubatuma.
But now we will look at onto that because igitarero ntoka ibo ko inanguni na untu ibo karekire urigwa kitherani opposition ikaumare kaua eu ni thirikari no yo tumite antu bayo beya kuthithia mantu jo bona rajithithwa thirikari ni at the same time ne kaumire kawe uni opposition no yo tumite antu bayo beya kuthithia mantu so ni blame game no timu to kwenda kwa accountable kile mantu hizo ndeta kwithwa ya kithithika lakini at the end of the day mtoro kumi mwananchi mtoro kumia ni aspirant yawe maybe ogweta nyana ngari tia kutia thukangu kana mtu kwa thithiro something but at the end of the day thirikari irielera antu ba opposition
ikauga
government na thirikari
no to hivi siasa we are in a political era, a political time. We are heading towards an election. We have to separate the two. And it's the responsibility of the government. Ba separate siasa na law and order, criminality, na baka the investigations yao, na baka chua perpetrators, na baka chua suspects you, baka ba charge, na baka chua the whole chain. Baraba financiers, na tongeria bau, na politicians you say ziko engage kema tojau. Ko kinya tukiona ministers yetu kana tukiona police turenda kupona separate from the politics, and that is how they are going to be able to do the investigations and hold people accountable because ekaithira blame game you tukuga and nojo kana bakiaragia tu tutikwenda nandi kuona bakiaragia tu turenda kwithira tu in action and those the arms of governments who are responsible to be able to implement law and order and to be able to prosecute people who have broken the law, criminals and the like. But separate politics na mantujagunism, which is criminality.
Okay. SG wa kiama kia UDA Hassan Omar na robire kwirwa kiarire mantuja uga ya kwamba Mount Kenya ibapetherete bana CEOs baraba ingi ibapetherete bana PSs baraba ingi ibapetherete bana state corporation chairpersons baraba ingi na ibapatha iyo kona bakithithia mantuja barobire kutha bakithithia na uga nao tukielekea 2027 Mount Kenya kiokondelea ora yendelete before the 2027 elections then thirikari structure iga change significantly no ntuba kuthira itebi bionde lakini zeka Mount Kenya batikunganirwa kana yaka pengine bado batu support thirikari at the same time na bae itebi bionde. Do you think really itebi nande ni bia na on purpose like to voite to get support tienu kana iteka bibatere kuthira tu distribute no to Mount Kenya na ni aringi kura
no kona ngekwira atiri batu thirikari iji twajukirie ni hetu antu ba Mount Kenya twaringire kura over 4 million over around 3 million Mount Kenya yonde so twaringite ri hetu na tukienda buru kuga ni hetu na tukienda twina haki ya kunenkero ite bibi so asa no mari kirate kumenya mbere ma Mombasa twirere ODM thirikari ije batumba kuga ne yawe ibatu itu twarwirire thirikari ije tumira rukire twaringa kura seriously na twamechwa ko ite biu bakuga bomba tutu ni akietu ndio twaringire kura twaringire thirikari ije kura kasa no mara kwenda ku play jaka yani batu no turande atokwenda kumira ijaka tutina haki edai lakini dai tuko na haki ya kwenda thirikari kana antobara twina bo pale thirikari but aside from that thirikari Kenya dai na yate dai yaki for the longest itangu giki politics inya development chongwa chita kulingana na siasa barabara ya kwa no mwaka politics chichederwe kena barabara ikirorami no ndobo kinana na mwana siasa no mwaka je ugei ankarombe kenda ikirorami na akiromba ite ugoti bura mugatumikau mbecheri gatume kuthia barabara ichietu so gatega generally imanto jonde thirikari iji zera no ke policy na era even worse ya waandikani paruga cha TSC chirene kaniro ne MPs kaligara MPs na TSC na bakuitana so manto siasa ira tonjiro everything igoro tuonere UDA I mean Murkomen aki inspect ana baki yellow
in school
UDA
what is not happening politics like
mono primary school na UDA ina bakuitana so it is so much politicized kumaanisha yomba kedro te Murkomen orogere mwana wako yellow lakini mwalimu na kwenda kuimpress Murkomen kenda kwata favor fulani mbugai basi bakwenda kugulirwa kana gintu kina nande mwana ali ngurangi mwere junde hello kena Murkomen aigwa gwiritwe kena president aigwa na gwiritwe na bantu boy watu pati bane kira bakwenda so we are becoming too politicizing kila kitu mwaka kwedro ko kinyare nande kinya akwe mtu ero nande keda no kwenda oturo no gawedro thirikari and so not with it what's the purpose of goons goons to carry your man natika mbere mwara uchiaja ote mwana siasa ote goons
oni tena goons ni
chwa no toga chini
oni gakarwa na ntobana ofimenti
no ira kadro waka wadantu me no kumenya goons inandira ere dangerous to people no ntoba kwedro one baraba thirikari ne bale jukena ndi police baraba armed nande baka bakwedana na goons nande bakambira ndi kuthidia bantu na kochamba kaunandi keno tunandi bujana ya mchika ireo yani bukwewa more power mbere irale goons kedro MP akedana ndo bawe on 20 enda weta gontu agetani hapo ye ku mushangilia ku mobilize crowd ira tu ko kedro ere na kachia crowd kachia group na plus nande kethera bakethera ni counter people bakabakiria mbere rali like that.
Yes.
Lakini nande with the current government nande kulithira police by ndene nande police batongere ndene definitely it becomes a lawlessness ikaingia lakini tumekuona nande bakiria mantu na nande bategwa tono nto ibaungene police eku nando na guns cheku nando ka no ka kwa tongi otoe nando kethirwa kutirio amani na nande tweta ito if bendera kutumika like that then it will be worse nonto nara kunde bakaigui bakwenda ku size force abaga tomanto jabau ontolo karo no kona baleja na maprado jao ya tano na no kona I don't know, I'm not very sure lakini mitandao ni kuwa MP omwe ija katikiri tie ngali mwera ngali dale emwe ile dale nau na nyaska ile barabara nao pamui bawe accusations so ija ka witikiri so na ndo taka kona then if it is like that bakagwa to no and then maro sia ugaja ya dirikari no responsibility we ekutwikira peace na no kona no to ba gunizimiu na ochamba bora bakuthithia na iba ikaraja kaba tegukira they don't fear anything. Yes. They can come and shoot and you know batageretia gas badithimbi bagwata anybody baikira bakwenda wikia bakwaga an opportunity kwira tourist bukeya Kenya kwira investors don't come now no to no kuona ira urai na omenye there are people are going to listen no to anto beje Mount Kenya kambira ndoa it is worse so na ndio definitely na bato baka keep off for some time serande kumanande okona anto bakambira nande kukira pole pole kuba bakambira ku close down na holidays bageta bakwa tokeja after 2027 it will start happening like that economy Kenya kambira kuinyereka and all that no to bakwa these actions so economy ndegiro kanja the inspector general akiuga na it is secure Kenya itena any threat by the one threat ira tuije ni al-Shabaab aki no these goons they are the worst non to every time to kuwa mtu akora mtu akudhidiru that one is enough threat why should a Kenyan lose life non to bao uchaguzi haifai non to ande goons para bejera betonga mtu mwere boya gama na ndinde kiba kudhidia wende kedro abako yake just to threaten.
No, it's not because okay otegera kinya I think in Nyandarua kana Kisii one of the two ona goons bagwete nyamigu like seriously no kubona kamera nete ba
Kisumu
bagwete nyamigu
ugate Kisumu la Sunday
Kisumu right
yeah.
Bagwete nyamigu bejete no na ibanga and borisi barungi nyuma
yeah.
Na borisi bena mechinka
na kinya ora tukuona ora nkuga toriuga goons ende goons tutikuona bakiumira rira batiri
exactly
ko uro kubaria no etubwiri kuchwa no wo kubaria no kuba mobilize
ni mwana siasa
no to ni mwana siasa no to reo na jol kalao bakiriki bagita nde bakithikaira antu bonde reo tukwemwe ukona guns ciaumira inacia umira seriumira only when they are paid ko unande kinya tutubwiri gutega guns bono tubwiri gutega who is the financial who is mobilizing them unande tukaona baure and we actually put them to account na tukaba charge ukona culture hiyo yambiria kuitande no tutikuona wananchi ni na unkuita documenting kiaragia nantu utokuga ati kiambite nkora ya bau bakuthikira utokuga nonka kweko ntuko kwena gento kwena maandamano kwena public participation jera tonere forest area ukona all of a sudden ina abaumira na kinya baba ingetija tepa kuma for example ewe area au forest tonere kinya tepa kuma akui kwe bange baumite koraja mono tepa etu bejete ku disrupt bara betu bejete kuthikira ko ukona abareti aba finance na ba nenkerwa transport na ba reto na abakariwa ko tukiteka culture goods we have to look at who is actually no ko support na no ko facilitate manto ja ujagunism
yes but now kinema ategera non tunande ya jara ya karikire Kisii kuna MP umwe wari accused akira no warete ngunziyo but at the end of the day atumiri arauga si mimi and
ndi na ndikinya oregwa mwambo okuga iyo ni ndaia oregwa kino okuga ngwate niti niu. It is the responsibility of the government, the proper agencies to go and investigate, take all leads and investigate na baka gwata muntu who is responsible. Nonto toko geranira government opposition tomba kuga forever. But we need to see action from the government in terms of those investigations and prosecutions.
I agree.
Na thirikari reka kuthithia u antu uria bakuona bakwenderera kugia courage ndiga kinyamunya ngunzi nya beza bagatandika bagatamburugo bo ni antu nondu itu kwambiria kuona ukalau bakwambiria kugia courage ire na then next tugakinyara antu benya uchwa michinka utindani we might get there nondu antu bakuona okay bible isi ate kugwatwo so na ndi bible isi ba kana ithirwe ni atongeria ba na muno notaka gunsira chigo succeed kire mission yao ibaraba kwati njara ithirikari kana baraba kwa na polisi wewe kedra ba na askari ri nyuma yao iko maanisha mtu ute mwanasiasa ura goba supportete kana ura basponzete no rudero thirikari taswe bate kuru anything so na ndio kwene ye au ye kuendelea sasa ndio ukalau election ya 2027 it will be totally different ukedra ntobai kali tie proper ando bakedra baiji no bulete ngunzi kaire na nandi kedra to succeed kubenga this time no magato de to even more prepared they might even block the road with ande butumbo kinyaku kaire kana movement ye gunzi is very limited ndo tumba me anti baba ingi ndo kaza mero ana ndo gatrotera upuzi jabu we are so many tokamwa ote ngunzi binongo ere datu paka komba terrorize and we are many that's what we are saying aratu etite no people are building courage na kuwetwa na umenyi kumenya ya kwamba acha no mwaka tuibange tukenda tumbo kalie kura chetu tukalie ntura yetu matura yetu na sio ketuikalie tuingwa kenda tutekaja kujuko for granted and that's where we are going to thirikari reka ku take hatua chia yole definitely people are going to take action and it will be messy at the end of it.
It will. Yeah. In fact, trust me, it will.
We hope not.
It will. Because Gen Z, that Karims, you see what happened. And it was very unfortunate, but it's really so, Katone, maybe now, ke other Kenyans, but tomorrow, Kilimanjaro, Kalau, Twetanange, maybe in big Kenyans, Bang, Bumba, Makuma, Kirantuba, or Kalau, because I'm very sure and Bariba sent a very, very, very big message. Kenyans.
That Kenyans ikira barado meregi kirena monone kwithirwa kura no magabu kali.
Boninga kura tiene gwakari.
Gwakari.
Oteko ana.
Na iki tutora kuga. Tutokuwa tangu zamani. Twategemea ke mtoro mwe agent. Ora wendana nale. Eno to disappear na one person per polling station. So don't rely on that one person. No moka babu nao mebokari kura ile. So kura no moka igakaru. Na nande to the 2027 na ito kuona people are developing technology things kienda kiki cha ukalia kura. AI kutumira AI and all that. So that is the kura igakaru na njira ya technology na plus physical. So ukalia kura it is there. Kabire, there is no amount of kurumwambe chakana kurumu anything. Ega tomabu change your mind from where you want to go as a society.
Yes.
Eka dora bole antoba menodiment. Tukiamua ni wakili ni hivyo. Na ndi nyamuka nyato kanengera magana chatano kana ngirika na whatever kana mbi. Ote amount of intimidate ega toma tureka utara mutongeria urai tukwenda. Plus ituramenyere nande antu bara bande nari barambirire kumenya nande bukeza bwena mutongeria kumba ko choa keki ije eno ndo keki kireto na turire keki national cake te muradu ukarande wetera kadhani keza ke lazima wende huko na we tawo taka chokaku kendo gitemera kira kumba gitemera so antu nande ba kumenya no mukabatare mutongeria rai ukuonania I know that capacity. Wita kutuchwira na national cake na turetere. So on on that election niraritanira antu mantu jau jonde na plus na ndi baronire yes thirikari ikenda guntu intimidate ndo ayomba kuikuletu thirikari kana askari kana whoever na no mwaka tukaria no ntu kwethirwa mea inyeketha tutikwenda kuuga bo muno people are really intimidated na ibarageria muno kwethirwa kwina violence kurenge ya violence election rengi postpone so intimidation ira no mwakantu pedro baina proper intelligence nyabo na maume zao pedro baina jo ya kumenya hii kitu ikienda namna hii kwamba kudhuka so no mwakantu pedro bai kariti no mwakantu pedro bakari kura no mwakantu bamenya no mutongire ruko bakatara and then no mwakabu etani as society nya kadre to kuga no diment lese ito kwa no tara candidate lese o Jubilee kana o whichever party no mwakatu menye as a block Oto Corona East and West. In Atoli. Yeah. To give fight national cake. The bigger we are, the better for us. So, no magato de tuya to Kawata Nate, ke block. Ke national cake here, tumba komuru rainha.
Yes. Wagilo Olivia, ntuko mwenye wakitara maybe lesson siri kwa ndani kumakiria ntubau. Na ilo agenda ntubako ba notimento withara bakilani kinyama by the time tokinya in 2027 at the same time antiko mwenye bando kithara wina trust maybe create IBC that ikithira fair ya conduct fair and free elections in 2027.
Okay, ki antubetu ba nothimenti I kukara na peace na kukara na ume na kuthikira antu bonde aspirants bonde bakwenda giti kiu bukabathikira na bukethira thikaira uria bamba gutethia nothimenti na uria bakathura na nkiaria nabo ni uba gutega oti na ondereta nderwa ukaria tutikwenda kuigwa jaku no twina uju bonde barenda kuthikira na bonde barimbira turenda nandi this time around 2027 muntu gatwitira ngugi ja nothimenti na tuone ngugi u ko antu ba nothimenti ibacibangite na ngita round inkuona bacibangite muno na iba kumenya uria bakathura 2027 na ume na tugita ki 2027 tukari na peace indi tukwe nije turiuga 2027 tutherete chonjo tukaria kura cietu there is potential for violence tukiaria ikuona there's a lost hope, there's lack of hope and trust in IBC in the government kiatongeria kinya betu twina mwaka jumwe mbere 2027 ikinya kinya tukiuga mantu jajau it's an indicator of the lack of trust what are we going to do nata tukathithia janto na government IBC turenda kinya kethomo kiu twaita olkalau tutikwenda kusitayarisha ja wananchi uria tuka ndoa na uria tuka karia kura cietu turenda kuringa kura na njoke ngugine ndinge kura mbete nkarugire ana bakwa ndinge kura mbete kurima ndikwenda ati ntukwe kura mbithirwa ati utege ntukinge ngaita and that is upon the government IBC and all the leaders including aspirants ibo nande this 1 year that is remaining ibo bakatonia tukomba we can put the trust in them and we can be able to vote peacefully on that day na twani twetere nande matokeo TV-ni no ntokinyari tukuga tukasitayarisha tutikwenda tusitayarisha no tukethura twina ndo cigoka twasitayarisha ndo cigoka in government ekathithia ekekira the proper measures na IBC eke the proper measures na antu baraba gwita kuromba kura tuinde twite preaching the same peace na giving the people assurances that we will not organize goons tutereta goons tukaetikiria mugambo jwa voter uria bakauga ni tukaetikiria ko indicators icionde cia kuma olkalau igutuonia kwina thina there is something that is broken that needs fixing na tukakaranio broken ati mwaka 2027 no ntoito kuigwa antu bakiaria na antu bakiuga na antu bakicibanga twina 1 year government we are putting them to task as well all aspirants we are putting them to task as well na IBC address those gaps, address those issues na tugita 2027 turenda guita turinge kura ja other those developed countries baringa kura bagachoka ngugini turenda kuringa kura twitana ndi tugwatia TV tukarastare tukiona tukimenya the measures, the gaps have been closed, the systems are in place, we have a government that is going to work for us because that government is going to be in place mwanka after 2027. Ko turenda government itanguge na etiga mantu ja politics mwanka ntukuyu na ito kwenda kumeona na nkiuga gintu kia mwisho ikuga ke parties Olkalau itoronere landslide victory for DCP.
Yes.
But itirari a win for DCP. Irari a win for the people of Olkalau. Nonto Olkalau iba etekererwe kinyaba nominati, iraba arena nominations. Badura muntora benda. Nonto DCP arena I think na 9 candidates. UDA arena, was it 5 or how many candidates? Iba arena candidates bao. Na beta nominations. Na betekirwa. I don't know how it went for all sides, but anto nominations, anto barudurere ke barabarungi ore abakwenda, the leader that they wanted. If there was also corruption, au kana baka rekirwa muntura batikwenda, but iringo at the final elections. Tuteona ketha ngodho, baugere ngodho bakwenda.
Yes.
Kwambira nominations, mwanka by election. Bera bari nenkirwa muntu ungi au ko kinya ketho yeah te antu ba tu yake as a people of Olkalau or citizens or voters kinya parties uninki ariya party nonto I need a vehicle also in terms of my political journey iko bera you will win when you have the right candidate for the people the one who has been chosen by the people. Nije ituigagwa mono kinya biama peke nenkera muntu tiketi no rite mbecha no thithiti atia na ndindiribera au Olkalau itoronere kinya kethomi ko mothomo jo monene mono anto batathurire DCP mono DCP was just the vehicle for Ngodho. They were actually voting for Ngodho. Never voted. It just happened to be in DCP. So even as the parties rira bakuona lineup yao na ore anto bakuga nandi na Gen Z isira kurire nandi ciena card barenda kuona mutongoria wina capacity ekwita ngugeu barenda kuonoria mutongoria ukabaitira ngugi wina bo na aina anto nkoroni te ati ngugi tu aguchwa muntu ukwina community na muntu ukabaitira ngugi na muntu ukomba ngugeu especially talking about MP nonto ikeo getingochwa ngugeu ne legislation mostly na representation na debate au bunge ko nande turenda kuona kinya qualified people going there ora tu muntu agweta sibitari akauga nkathinjwa na daktari ate kuga muntu ore urungi ari anjerene njo nthinje ari urita ukathinjwa na daktari wenda gwaka nyombe ku kaita engineer uteta daktari uria ukera daktari remain in the hospital ugaita engineer kugwakira nyomba. So in 2027 no tubunge eto zai tokimetega uwe kari te jadiri ya samani bunge eto is very different now to tena competent abunge by government by bunge na bate kwariria mwananchi ibarekererie mwananchi buru niwo kuona maandamano niwo kuona kinyanto baketibanga ura bakakaria kura no to tena representation tutena antu bakotwariria ya bunge we don't have competent people, we don't have people who are for the people. So 2027 inku iwa anto bakearia ground turenda competent people ko kinya parties bake nenkanira tickets bamenye baka nenka the wrong person atethurwa no to thai te party kwaria this was
choice ya antu rabakwenda.
It would have gone very differently if they had given the wrong candidate the ticket. Tomba kwethira tukiaragia gintu kingi thai. Yeah, so the vehicle is very good, but also the driver of that vehicle is most important. Omba gwikia vehicle leo ketha kene. Yeah.
Ikaumira tairi njirene.
Lakini kirangera mwaro ciothe umenye kinya kethira itukuga the vehicle may not matter. It will matter.
It matters. I said it matters. But the driver also matters.
Nonto gataga Ngodho arari staff wakajagua. Ere arari deputy president.
No mujukiria mwandika by the way ndio akieresera story hiyo.
So ni mtu yake. Na urara leterwe takte mtu uganya rageria giteka iri. Te mtu mba kuwa na rai na mbeca nyingi te muntu umba kuga inya yani ate utikiara ra kyo gikirere muno kege tumia tara kira tumira kya tara muno i DCP
Nende tari MCA.
kageretie so kira tumira atarwa tukiara yuma i DCP ndudai ke inya kedra nungi orungu were urarungi na DCP arenge china gitekiu aya history tuchokere history kidogo ito taka tukona Piama kire most areas ibi make a lot of decision no gataro no go kedura were a very strong candidate endo ja kiara ora leo atari na Jubilee na is zone rale UDA lakini kiara gataka being an engineer he was imturali very strong kire society na rale dite maendeleo jawe wengwa personal imturali ni ntubia so no mana maendeleo na dite na kuthomithiana na mpi yani mantu ja maingi dite jawe na kyo gitumite kyo giatumire anto ba mutara na UDA we vireo lakini anto ba mwa barenda ukarana ule ukubaidire kire pakwenda for one MP uro MP uro ko naruto na ugere 2024 I think augere MP uro gatumira CDF bwega atatolewa aje nukurengura wa 90 milioni every year utatolewa aje sasa na shukuru no wake utaki tutedidia so one party ikakuwa a very big boost lakini whether a very strong candidate then you can take any party na provided is also a strong party you Jubilee me it was a strong party and even now then Mount Kenya mostly ukethera icho chigachera
but so should we be going na wave because iturale kinyana ni nyuma kidogo wave kinyanyo ni ramata sana ke wananchi mwananchi ka wave kake ya yudu ura ya ile na wave kwa tukana ndanto bagataro bonde bonka wejira na kiama kia UDA anto bate kwenda utega ina umite na atoka riwe mutongeri we gani lakini provided no rungi na kiama kiu iba kubaisive
lakini wakataka meruli tuina MPs ba Jubilee
yes beko
ndio wakili MP wa Jubilee tuina MP wa Jubilee Bairia actually Dr. Shadrack wakili amuna bo wakataka UDA got a lot of votes kuma the same area so neo kukwira two things are going to play nara kutina very strong outright candidate then the wave ega candidate nara kuena very strong candidate ndo kataka ja Kili was very strong wataka ja Dr. Shadrack amejaribu mara ngapi he was very strong te besha ata ejana te maendeleo ata yani mturali strong that's why ata arata leo Jubilee na UDA leo so kireke ga play kiu mono kedra candidate kedra utena an outright awina candidate no peo he won nara na kwena wave wewe UDA naona yenye MCA for that area so nego kwera no mpro no he was strong enough
so ni to biribi goitaniria
because either strength kedra utena an outright candidate strong enough then the party wave will carry teka raim nyata tonyere ambere ako atonyere kansira atia ejira ambire kuweja na mbecha kutethele wafanyi biashara mbi ako tonya candidate ako amina ako kansila he donated all his salary kile wafanyi biashara indi kulikana nenkera wafanyi biashara 10,000 every month different wafanyi biashara so he came a that relationship na ya very strong mwangana ande egitare ukinya he became a very strong candidate that's why kona raimu nya arongama remwali independent na kawini otu babu kiuga ngai muindi angakali lakini akawini nonto bakwendrwa miriere andire it is very strong nonto kwena mtu wena ukurani biashara nonto bakwendrwa raimu na munenkere ngirie komi a very simple business so what matters is if you as a strong candidate I mean if you as a candidate utena inyere kwendrwa ukienda wanantu then ukategemea just ona tu by chance no ngokedra we kamene kikwendekana nakyo wave yijire
na nande tokiaria mantuja wave na mantuja candidate una ndeni yoto kugangari na dereba the party is an important aspect of the of politics neungari neunene na tukiaria cia wave they wave for the sake of wave kinya rira twari na UDA twinthe twaringire UDA, that's why they won because of the vision they had at the time manifesto yao yaragia na batwi ja wananchi na twetikia ko tutaugire UDA no borangi kana no UDA no ba muntu ari tugire UDA because of the manifesto what they had in store for the people that's why we went into that UDA, that's why we entered that vehicle and kinya agreeing with you it really depends on dereba no the leader da inge rea kutena nara kwena weak candidates bageta na wave ende rea kwena but that was also then rea kwandira handouts rea kwari na which kills democracy ende narua oni de ground inkethi kairantu ibara regere handouts itukuona kinya ukala ibara regere handouts itukuona nandi barenda kutara a strong driver barenda mutongoria ukumba ngugeu ende aingarine ira bakuigwa ina manifesto ira bakwenda ko te mantu ja DCP kana UDA tu kinya tugita towards 2027 elections so many things might change itokwenda kuigwa manifesto united opposition itokwenda kuigwa a new manifesto UDA what is in store for us for the next 5 years bara bonde bakwenda kurungama na parties we want to hear what do they stand for imbi batureterete ja kiama riu nandi tuge na mutongoria nandi na bara tukathura at local level and riankwaria nantu bare separate local politics and national politics party politics and leaders local leaders bonde barenda kuigwa uweja ja mubunge wetu na te ukathithia riu bakauga akiama kiama ni kiriko kikang'anira mantu jau yo kugira dai tutena a clear direction in terms of manifesto you ko wave it can tilt anyway dai tuina maoni ja kuga government netwere a lot of promises manifesto yao ethongi mono na yaragia nantu ende tutirona delivery you nandi no tutirona delivery you turenda nandi tugeta ndee ende ndee ne itokwenda kinya ku boost ndee kenda ndee tuira tukathithia uju na uju kenda so it's not becomes like no tutiko kwenda uju tukajukia uju na kiare na ntuba no cementi 3 times bakithura Raim ni obauga ne uju na uju ba tutikona panganiri ko tugeta tu na u te barethura baina muntu strong a strong candidate bare ora bakumbira bare thuro ora bauga Raim auga te mwana ociari omba kumucinda nandi bariuga turenda nandi gutegana bau baciari but yumirie no tuketha bare o batang'aniri turenda new faces turenda greenhorns eu bakwitwa greenhorns beje tubateke kinyabo without any baggage clean faces clean ideas ketha bomba gwitangugeu na kintu kingi kirankwenda kinya ku connecting the politics of loyalty no to you're loyal to me ngakonenkera giti ogwa kuthurwa ngakonekera CS o ngagwita ndere ankorete ndee and that is why you're seeing the whole system collapsing because now it's a reward on loyalty kwirira twachenjerie constitution twauga nandi kinya cabinet etethirwa MPs no kurikana itwari na MPs baki by ministers kweja nandi kwatwikirari bakethwa by gitanguge cabinet na politicians na MPs by the way MPs nambi to open up some professionalism in the game and how to separate the politics from this arm of government kenda bomba gwitanguge it gave us the opportunity to even have experts technocrats to be CSs and nandi toriona kinya tukuga keki yetu keki yao toriona kinya tuna CSs but they not qualified for the job, unfortunate to say because of the politics of reward and loyalty. But we have to go back to what our constitution, the spirit of our constitution, what we wanted to achieve at that time. Tuenda antuba kumba gwitanguge at that level, na baba ange baitenguge at that level. And more, especially Gen Z hisieja, itira nogere nandi sidiugari. Turenda development, turenda kueta nambere, turenda opportunities, turenda ku expansion, turenda proper governance. Na tugachoka au. Na it is up to us as the voter. Baatu ya 90 ibatu 2027 tukachokia government yau no to thaa ingi it's very difficult kuga tugeta na loyalty I'll reward this one I'll reward this one ibatu tukarega ibatu tukauga no we are voting for the leaders who actually are competent and qualified to represent us as a people.
I agree.
Bao bai bunge ibo baveta CSs na bari agwa dainge baka tonyithia muntu tu kinya ketha muntu atije na tetete kuthithia nao.
Imbo tuna failures. Kwena bwana Kathurima nkiujukiria point Madam Olive uga Manta manifesto. Okay, take your opposition most of the time no kumenya president yake akiwa antu batena agenda. Batena utikyo bena kiwa kia kuendelea mwananchi ni short. Kila bena kio ni kia kuendelea mwananchi ni kuwa Kasongo aende nyumbani, Kasongo afanye, Kasongo ili, Kasongo lile. So na wategera ima uterebo bakiwa like toya tukathithia kithomo maybe kikinye 1 2 3 from A to Z maybe kethrichi vitari yetu kono ciena thino antu the aikaba ukona antu bakuthira maybe nyasha some people teko itanguge tuterebo bakiwa maybe toya ba tukeja na system maybe kariyo tukeja na system we kariyo tuthithia 1 2 3 tuterebo mantu ntajo lakini tukubwa the biggest thing irapenyo ni one time Kasongo must go. It's there. Now, how will that one work for the people?
It has worked in Olkalau.
Yeah, Olkalau, it's one out of many.
Okathikira speech, utino marauga gathogo eto osami. Sami utino marauga angeja wakanjira. Hakuna? Inoragiru.
But for how long ukuthugania antu bageta na that?
Yeah, but you see, wave, what the wave?
Wave.
Imekuja na imekuja. Nundu gateka utena omezu alera arauga ngakathogo akabwekera stima. Hakuna. Ngera uganjira 13.5 billion worth of project. Na boga chindwo tu. What does it mean? You don't kuona nia. Now it is not about agenda sera mono but one where are you ogo le mutongeria wetuli no gutwerewa itwitanitie ero ndiba kumenya iba ramenyere maendeleo za ya outright is our right twataka ati ko one of our constitution it is our sovereign right e ko determine all these things so botombo twata nyawo kadidiyata na mberema do we have a leader who is going to understand us uro gutwerewa au niona nde tuli na no kona Olkalau ira letere that one ira letere batekwe utino bararia.
But then when you are voting for the current president, I think antu babengi ba vote nonto ibathuganagia ari akui kana na kwerewa sana mathina jara mwananchi onthe guruguru akurukira nonto na bera wengo aumite kuma nthi then agaitia gakinyara kinyite so they end that notion that muntu no mbotoro nkurukie ba uru bastiariri utongene batari menya thina imbi muntu na rete thina so akamenya unde chupe na rande guru ndimwe ndio skuma kandi ndimwe ndio mboga thina rango kurukira. But then,
alielewa the other side. Actually, President Ruto naijeboega what we are going through. Lakini nande, meana nande sera itu kuga sera. Ugategemea technocrats kana experts. Kuko package ra ichio. Na the moment package ro kuwe package wakiri implementation ekedro ina a big problem na ne Ruto na package yerwe lakini a package yero cha campaign tuko yakiri implementation edro ina dina ndo na boda kedro serikali tunatengeneza na nyinyi ina ndio una boda ali dai ata yawaini position most of them are graduates oto igwa ametolewa kwa boda akafanywa PS. Hakuna. So when it comes to Sera, Seras, yes, that's what we want. Ito kwenda Pedro Bena agenda and all that. No opposition iba kwenda Pedro Bena agenda. But you know, first of all, resonate with us. Iyo injo tuera ano. Tumenye uwe, kedi tuetani tiembere otu roga atudiri.
Bena shua wiki nyata tara maybe atongeri ba opposition. Dai menya iba kuona nikinya iba utoerewa kuringana na ara tumite na kuringana na maybe anger irereo from kaumo karaka impeachment or that na dai no botoni enyewe tuko na nyinyi tunawaelewa ituko mnyimbi bokurukira oyora tona in 2022 but then how sure are we as voters that bwana ngiro kure kinya buti kinya na bugaruke bulo imwana inchi kawaida.
See, that's when Gukwira, they want, first of all, inyakethero me otokonya Ruto uo utuga. President Ruto agetonya ka twererwe na twererano. Na akatudire ki akaita bottom up itafanyika. Na hiyo twetanine. Bottom up tutenjera muno twetanine. Tishi vitale muno. Hii bottom wete go. You know actually it was the biggest thing era Ruto onere kura ni. Tisha ichejires lakini bottom up era ne reo muno ana twateka tukona mtu ko ina gotwerewo tukona mtu rei ogatwero. So it is going to repeat itself again. That's why kuna mtu akiuga ojo akali ojo ale o atatwerewo ojo ale o tena auto getanino. Things like that. Kuna matiangi hapo to kwa hiyo matiangi aradi di education aradi di interior kidogo no na kwera wa bijara to gweta through. So definitely one thing that imbiji gakarika tweta the moment opposition baka tara mtura baka utara are flag bearer definitely sera ikeja automatically ndo tumbara au daina nemenya ura kashagwa kudugania ura karonzo kudugania ura matiang itemba kwa into one lakini the moment baka tara mtura baka tara definitely it will come like that. Aya okateka kile sera ila wanasiasa betu batudida area. It's really the same. If we talk about economy, standard of living and what, ikibe tuka to ara area. It's only that when anto batonya itene they do things differently. No the compassion, ile tuita compassion. Kwa hiyo mwanasiasa ukinya compassion ni kadira. Akadora ndio atakwenda atija akate kuona zakatu na dena ile ni mo. Kana ija akato tigire te dena tuitutira twetu.
Thank you.
Na nigicokia tu anini au amanto ja wave urembugire at the beginning Olkalao was a signal but not, it was an indicator but not a predictor of what will be in 2027. Kwina wave iratetherie the elect MP in Olkalao. Na wave eu te wave ira tokona in 2027. It's a different wave. In my assessment, the way for Olkalao by elections, equal reject the current government. Non to iba kuigwa by nyeri mono, but igwa and we are just coming from the 2026 bill, finance bill. Iba korika na 2024, iba korika na mantuja fuel prices increase. Iba kuitanduke na baka igwa unga is too high manto ja kuingiria mwananchi. So the wave there is to reject. Ende togeta 2027 the wave will be to select. Tokona kamwanya kau oria nande 2022 twetere na wave yesera iwe bottom up. 2027 irachima tukethra twina wave te kuga reject but select. Na toka remwa United Opposition ekaremwa kwithra ina a manifesto very strong kiuga ora tukathithia twatonya na tutona wave we translate from Olkalao because the waves are different. Now is the pain that we feel but then it will be about hope. What are we looking forward to? Go to get 2027 wave keithirwa ireo is the side that will give us the most hope. Ora tu twathithire 2022 hope eu. Go that's why I was saying it's an indicator but not a predictor. Now ndirenda kwithirwa they very measured. They want to take tokia any side because for me I feel like 1 year is a very long time in politics. It's a very long time in politics. So there's time but there's no time. There's time for us to come up with proper manifesto. Kinya batwe tiga na national level kinya no thimenti. Oni tira eja na manifesto ekwa. Nonto I want us to talk to the people and hear what it is that they want to see change and twe amwe nabo ina tokwenda gwita. Na ukamwisho ne twinde barabara ungi twinde. Buga kinya togeta buga tweta debate. Turungame twinde debate ine. Atitetere au kenda tutiketa kuia sera cia mutungi nomba kuga narua rojo kambira kuiga my opponent yakiuga osio ko na ndito tonengere kanya kau na kinya United Opposition ekajukia kanya kau ora twaigwa bakathithia bakajukia candidate omwe no that's what we've been promised twerwa ka unite na bedre then by now one candidate Leo baite sera ciao na bagaita sera ciao baaria na wananchi na baaria na technocrats na experts you na how it will translate no to toriuga bare tunenkera promises bakinya nao mantujaga change niki no to bakithithia manifesto yu badithithia with the experts with the current situation in mind na uria antu bakwenda uria tukwenda kuigwa na uria tukwenda kuthithirwa ni uci kuthithwa ende gwa kinywa afterwards tukaona loyalty comes to play. You have to reward the people who you are with. And they might not be the ones who are competent to do the job, to deliver. Keisera yusiaku. Manifesto yo UDA 2022 was amazing. That's why we chose them. That's why we brought them into parliament. But then, baraba adurerwe nande kuitango keu. Ipo ba failele manifesto yu, kana ba fail kinya government yu, nonto batejere baina competence yu, expertise yu, kana ba kwenda gwitira anto ngugeu. Now, we don't want to give examples, but everybody knows who is who in the cabinet. Na bara drop the ones who dropped the ball, so to speak. Yeah. Ko nande kinya tugita after. Turenda kuethora twina kinya parties sekija na manifesto. Turenda kuigwa bara bakethora bakitanguke, bakethora by the most competent. Tuteona muntu anenkero gite nonto na ari na ochore na uju kana na ititembe chande kana na gititeu turenda kuona as Kenyans tafadhali tunenkere government cabinet ekomba gwitangugeu especially if you have brought for us a beautiful manifesto.
Okay, thank you.
Natoka takale, how did Ruto get into presidency? Ruto akire safari yawe for a long time, as in akiona na he is a better person. No kabuita dine nei. I deputy president akinyirua na kumenya impi pokwenda ko no na yani was oranje no savior. No savior wetu. So 2022 Kenya na arungama keteka president. Everybody was like ako Kenya. Na ndi rai tu buri ko dokana zairi. Temono mono ntonyama serire alacho. Like this is the person. Urato kumenyana ndaga tutadine nire tuinachio. And that's why they voted bamuringere kura generously. Bamunya bauga tu kaba pembitunya sibitare ward. Betakaringere mtu kura. Na ito dirun kita na JR makarisene nambi. Lakini ukadra mtu watu abera bibo ugere mtu jwa paka ugaito gatolikania. Ogatika na mantu ja wau. Nondo bakodra bade tuije mtura tu tonyidetie agatuita dire nacho.
Tionde.
Lakini ande na ratu le ziendanishi. So atuge sera to some extent yes ika make ikedro chikerita mina no kawata no ka mutongeri
especially for 2027.
Yeah, to some extent. To some extent ika no to batendo tara muntu tena maono anyway.
Okay.
Branta tri tu atu ndoga we famous na ndo kuona kiti even though ko papa gatonya na design you. Na ndo we vira mono mtu tu gotonya just kiolela like that. Na tena anything eto diria it will be so difficult. Na jabato no dimenti armenya ambire morosia tu inyirikirite mono. Yes. Maendeleo na itu atigiro nyuma. No ndo ataka wanasiasa betu bara powerful ibaome. Iba badite maendeleo au menau. Na ne batu jo town Meru o taka siweji chini kwamite mwakana arwe. Tutena siweji. Roje teruna le tura olirwe mambiru nanya keda te koti. Turingi tutandiki biru mu tena mucho 300% no kataka ibatu tu agomera town ya mwaga tu adikirote wanasiasa batu tendri. No. So batu nande no dimenti itu kuigwa yes tuna vacuum ya utongeria in terms of mtogotorera mtogotofaitira we don't do just the mayor into ibe kawaida otutenga otudire mayor no gora tukiuga na kenoti JR that kwa kanjira njira igwa kwa nyingi muno muno nyingi achikwenda hapo chikireta ukia poverty no ntuma kwithirwa wiretera muntu njira muntu utikenda kyo kwendia na njira kana ya utumira njira wikinya thokone kana mbi so the easiest thing himda joka itia maguri na ndacho kendi munda jora keda ina eka ndi atikaria kakota na kakota kana kwa ketanyomba to wau utakona na ndi mtora umutire ke kule mangombe omureza ndi kire manto yange au jango ukarata ke ataite ke begarenti so kaberento mbijiwe kwategora dire mitungu ambere kudidye mitungu tenjera ikiri nao mbere iroje ikiri nao Achoka areta experts ba itaranto kulima machungwa, maembe na marigo. Na ne bakulima bwega na njira cheura chegwikia kimera thokoni. Na ndia ja baithire njira. Siki tumi kuona mwanka na ro mitungu nyunda ile ule. Kinya kugura munda mitungu kuona mtu kwenda kwendia munda kwena nyembe. Mtu marigo jamani munda no ule. Maembe proper. Na iba kuona mbeca iria.
Njira irio.
Na njira irio cha kumiri kimera kile kyao. So batu na turenda mutongeri ora no thimenti agatega jabo muno boga itinde. Igiaki. Bado munda ni menene. Kutina rojo rakungana. Anto bategwito no boga maembe ja umana jiburi kumona ja mega muno. Ituburi kule mampepe nambi. Iburi kudura puina mutongeri ora oga okomba ko organize anto bara. Ora bomba ko make money. And that's what to go cannot JR yes. No mogade tora ni na anto banto rere. To bori mbio ngo ko na to didia. Kedra I kimera kena to tumunyo to akididia. Kenando bomba ko india.
Okay.
And that's what you want to do.
Okay. Okay. Katu yeru terene rwa Mount Kenya still. Itonete CS roko na thiro nkete muno na rekinya miru. No kintu kiawe kirakwa rike mwaki.
Mount Kenya West.
East. Iyo Mount Kenya West, it's none of our business. Kinya mantu ya kala ya karika ule whatever happened now we can now batu biashara yetu ni Mount Kenya East. Na Mount Kenya East is can we really stand alone like Mount Kenya what can we add in that basket to enka Mount Kenya East to enka genande itu ti adore to divorce rebo bangi bonde to go ya twinga meden what can we do as Mount Kenya East
You see Berema when Professor Kindiki agotonya augerenwe Mount Kenya tu atonya la kureplace Gachagua na Mount Kenya as a whole na twateka twambire mpaka ambire gwita in different areas
yes
inya Mount Kenya West yu ambire gwita so rukukira kuthia kintu kimwe na kuthukiria kindiki na yani ka komune we kindiki no Mount Kenya East so Mount Kenya West kindiki ya naja nanyi na agitonya atonyete ari Mount Kenya yonde na itu kumenya ko kindiki ko ka agaito Mount Kenya West ndero nde aku bateto muita nao tukuana ni tukale Mount Kenya East murume kura inye cha milioni iwane Mtu yangu is 200 something. Tarakani dey one something. Wait to genye it's another 200. Mero aja we are around 800 kana one. So we are talking about 1.5 votes compared to more than 2.5.
Exactly.
So mbere maro kuna kudukiria kindiki as much as tukona eko ibatu batu inyeretie but to see there is that aspect of the big brother. Big brother utumu bako kana ilo the same anyway. Ya tukenda kuga ito kwenda muno ito badoli tenga wote Mount Kenya West has been the big brother and that's why kinya to ateta kina to ateta kana to arura kina to karwira they will take the bigger share ndo wakadari ipo nya baingi na inya kire manto jara baingi ibo ba imbere yetu so ruko mbere mana amenye na kuthukiria kindiki mwana wetu kwithurwa akenda umuitanande kubodi anto wa Mount Kenya West batete betu kana bae bote konidi kebire hotel Mount Kenya dai tumba kugano Gema has been there forever aba kurane Twitter G etigarema agato didia ngod kwena nya monono tumba kwethurwa batwe mberema we are people from one cultural point kana narato umire we are nearly the same people Nyakeda ito kwa differently, but we are nearly the same people. Meru, Embu, Geko, we are nearly the same people. Nande, tuwetake cultural wise, intermarriages, mauturo yetu, activities yetu kodidia, economic activities nambi, we are nearly the same people. So politics yake, itumba kutuma batu tukana, itukana ne batu inontumba interest ya politics, nika yenu kusituke huku. Tutuere kuringa kura the same place. Leta kibaki aleo tuwatinde tuwalinga DP, regardless of whatever. PNU, tulipiga sisi wote. Tutuwe wetani like that. Utiro kwa Kenya, tulinga differently. Aya, kebi datu. Imbi ongoro kwezi ato didiretie, goto ni abato no tutume kile Mount Kenya, kana to gane. Imbi ongoro ato didiretie. what development ili kubatutiritie utichio utikio differently bare jakyo hero nto aburi kweja gatora dokumenya muntu babo batutu kwa Mount Kenya East this is what we are doing kenana to kona ya Mau road pate kwa liletio itu atunyiro so itu atunyiro babo thirikari-ini we have the deputy president eri na ndemo muro lilechoke to ithirura to kuuru atubangirite kenana to menya yes batu na babu bogatorwira as Mount Kenya East so one tutina mutongeria capable enough okurura interest ya Mount Kenya East ora gashagwa kurura Mount Kenya West tatuna
okay lakini okay ya kutegera for example tuwe professor Kithure Kindiki kinya kiri na arora kiri national government kekiwe yirigiri muno kumakiri Mount Kenya in general yani niyo aero custodian niyo akarero custodian no Mount Kenya now with Gachagua assigned but now rĩrĩa CS yageta akiuga abatu trend okarau au wengine atuataki CS huyo alianza hapo kiriu then ukiaguthona kuthukiri kindiki as you are saying nikino tate kuona mtu wa mukariande because yai manto achokerete tiri moti jairi tijagatu everywhere na ararete kinya na rungo na kiara the same thing na akiwa president akawin election rokiri na akawin without Mount Kenya West iki ando mtu yote alikuwa nanto kinya politics by the way cia kugania ntu oira bako bate kwenda politics cia kugania ntu but niki mtu yote atekwirwa then one okuthukiria deputy president na enio eriewe enio backyard yewe na enio turigirite thero akindeliver then now no ambiririo migania na at the same time mtu no Mount Kenya kinyawe lakini mantu jara kwaria imantu jani okutegera kwa exactly
na ingoitekiria au narrative eu ni kuthukiria deputy president ni kuthukiria president ende muno ni kuthukiria Kenyans as a whole because it is division it's divisive politics na aria tuku ereto chokia na nyuma to the days of tribalism the days of division the days of regional politics itokogeria muno kuma au na kinya uria tukuiwa tutinda kuigwa kinya 2022 tutathurire kama twathurire Ruto so yes. it is that kind of narrative that we do not want to go back to because we had made twetete mbere muno na itware akwe kumira buru tuthura anto on competence so this narrative is taking us backwards it's spoiling for Kenyans na kinya kwethira wena narrative we kuga twina muntu nonto aumite kwenu tutikwenda u turenda tuthure muntu nonto nakumba kuitira Kenyans as a whole ngugi nonto kinya bangi bakututhikira te Mount Kenya ke tukwaria bau bangi bakututhikira all the other regions now western now the coast bonde ibathikirite bakona ujo nande ukwirwa nande agaitira ngugi only one place abatwiri no kuona nande nakuthukiria all of Kenyans because Kenyans yearn for a competent leader. We yearn for a competent executive. Kou turenda kwithirwa kinya tukiciendagia na tukiringa campaign na tukichwaga kura yu tuketa backwards kwambira kwaria divisive politics kia twarie mantu ya kugwatana kinya ketha itukuga only mpenda kuigwa atiri tugwatane twinde nonto twina muntu gutwitira ngugi nonto akuthithia ujo na ujo na akathithia ujo na ujo na ina qualifications kinya cia gwita ngugi na kinya internationally akomba kuto represent nije iwe kureta antu amwe akauga twinde the whole of Kenya twije turingire muntu nonto muntu ujo no wenu no antu akaita ngugi cietu na akadeliver ende kuga nande tugawanyike nonto muntu agatwitira nonto aumite ija kuga atena atikumba ngugi ko tumwigire kwa nonto imwana wetu na teu tukwenda kuigwa turenda kuigwa you know this professor has done this and this na kaenda kuthithio na te Mount Kenya ke the whole of Kenya nonto president and deputy president is for Kenyans
ito bwiri kulan lesson
no gichokia kana kiongera kibu kwenda kuongera kuna kiuri kwenda kuuria kimwe notion igotikibonete kinya mitandao kana nini kukira wa professor atena power like anto bakiuga ni yes man of which I don't think it's like that because kuna mtu kuandikite somewhere tukwena rua kawa kwamba professor atena lightweight like atena usemi sana kile thirikari zile kuthai nguge wone kura tu enda ufanye ile anaenda analifanya, lakini kumbuka na independent on the same akiwa ya kwamba utishaini hiyo master ukethra no wero ngui then no batere kwathikira munene oku of course tikuria ndacio ndo mukwishoni imunene oku for Christ's sake, so no batere kuthirwa ngwe kune kumutetheria na tike kumiki ngwewe ya burden kiriwe like nkruki. So kuna mtu kwandikite na ruwa professor atitherwe na aina usemi kiri thirikari yiku na uwa ni political freeloader taking complimentary ride at the back of his boss, that is the president, na what the president must let him go. Na yaya kija yitorira tukona ODM ibarokire ringi bakiuwa ya kwamba kitikira bakiandra IKNDP ibariti manzo ringi muno na jaru muno but wakanyamazia, lakini sasa wameanza tena hiyo maneno ya kwamba barienda gitikia DP no te position nyingi bakwenda. Professor Nothro obukati no semi no to unindo na professor no inainya no inapawa nyankuru CS na CS no wita imuthukagia na ruwa professor mbona yaria uga ya kwamba ate gwitikanire na miario ya CS roko iragwita divide Kenya, I mean Mount Kenya people akiwa kwina west na east where mini Mount Kenya yonde as a whole na babatire kwitra bari united but imbie kwiria mwita menya no munene owe na mwira miambo ugwita kiaragia utibatere kwita we miaragia, lakini akeja umeke kamera uwe ndointe witikaniria miario we ende rojo bando zokaibwa CS akiaria the same miario na angi what is not happening.
That's why kona tukiuga we don't have a leader. We don't have a leader ukumba kuga no amasho batu tuli Mount Kenya East berema tumba kuga nande yeah we have a Nchamba no menya batu tuli Amiru na kana Mount Kenya in general no tuboa urato arwire wathanibo through mau we have been tumenyerete kwithura twina Nchamba so kindike I think inu engwa as a person that eno character we tekwithirwa atena power nundu katiba ni muete power zoire kashagu arale acho ya kashagu in president nauga one of the reasons ira ba maniro he shares yeah which is kakwendere mbinga kakwendere ali offer what then keda aturu ira shares chanto ba weri ka what imbingire wende
Tianto ba kana itiawe
ale chanto ba mbere ma and they are getting the development that they want na appointments na beyond they are getting it na ntopaka feel they have that power and to na world deputy president we are not feeling it but nya tule amerwa to feel this deputy president ya tule ka koromone gakwa nguge minister ale mantu ya country where you are second in command ruzo dai ya kama mabati mbaya yogo wa president so wa president watoto kale au kaire twetere we cannot so kinde kimbere ma nambire kumenya no mwanka paka thukania Ruto to some extent kenda tona kila tukwenda no mwanka balinganire metha no mwanka bategane metho no I have to get kenda tuna what you want la sivyo Mount Kenya itemenyeretie gweta kwerencha nire gintu but it's the right we are not associated, we are not used to it na to kwera nchama to kwera karake kwacha sisi wacha tujipange so one the deputy president ate korene ina authority ira hii president alafu maybe no ndo bakwedro atari officially kana pata ataranirwe na president so korora dirikali it is not outright kewe lakini aina bweri kumenya he is the deputy president for heaven's sake na bweri kumenya nande he must act as one inya kedro na principal assistant of the president ndo ne woga nguye wene akutethera president to run the country lakini politically how will you understand kedro maendeleo jara mengeza ya Nyanza na batu na rotena jo na ina tatukaelewa indi kedro nya yani the bare minimum minute to buri ko tu na yo to kuona nidi to kuinira nidi tunaona ke budget yake 350 million
na ne wakwa
350 million 350 million menya
see you start with
for 7 billion ale me otakone bara kirere no 350 million ya kadi diambi if visibility studies yake to diriria uto itomba kwa kaibe na quote of it so no mokati put president ya jauna ni buru yes tuina that power here na itu bwiri kutha tukiona developments ikithiwa anaja watu wa meru general yetu koja na ya level 6 yetu the national government president Eldoret alaka a new Moi referral hospital a new very big on 100 acres ba kuramunda bake and then deputy president wetu ajojo karake tu tuere ako ona on 1 acre ngai 1 acre iko to tunyo anto edroga o gya ka 100 acres narale ni o te to ka ga to ka 50 acres a new hospital a new referral hospital on hospital era yakwa anto waro dimenti mwaro chia tutena agweta we don't have level 5
nderero bukuthithirwa timao bukuthithirwa kanyankine
timao na no dimenti na igwitana
kanyankine
na no dimenti na igwitana
nande lakini ile akue
no but why get it from us first of all
because nyinyi
si tujengee level 6
you know nyinyi no dimenti sasa mtakuwa mko na level 6
lakini level 6 existe
au wengine nao wakenya level 5
lazima umare kidogo
nasema niende nje rudi hapa so why pani nekio ntonya nekio mbita nyombe kwa umbakele kasikiwa au nyuma kandi ombera nande umaskiu na untunye tanya the my main house no this is where I'm supposed to
na nare tugeta mono level 5
na no utonya
level 6 mai refer yes
na level 6 national referral hospital kinya staff bara tutumba ba control minister duale gavana otekia otenyango wakagambare otekio te anto bangugi te ndawa te machines te mbi nothing you will have no control na dai we have control of it na yetu ejane kenana tu eterana le kwa kero kanyakine on a very small space yani otero to kona sibitari ina bata kana nene urato bati because rande yes we have a deputy president so ito konindi kwenda tuena a better referral hospital just like any other ikenda tuirona ndi baba bwana bokonekero maendeleo muno urake baki atoere maendeleo mwaka kwake baki mumiru kedro likana baki arero ogwe ngoboro kumanga githongo angaina angakatheri angawoti nundu bakoda maendeleo ya Jeremiru no kibaki atoere maendeleo nundu bakeda twarungamire no for 10 years la atoere maendeleo pa njira chia didwa ben mantojera maingi ya idiro then so that when a deputy president tumba ku influence MPs baka tunenkira kinya budget pakidie budget tukanenkira kira to need so deputy president na menye we have a very limited time yewe ukira na kuambile ku one kwaliria nto babo nde masiezi jaja na inya MPs patike kuina akero emboromo and then from there we need development projects so that we can be identified with him na plus neje ali na opinion leaders agatoma na muntu atoma MP akaikirwa tu gunzira cha MPs ambe te gunzira no do sake of fancy by MPs ibaba ko rundu nala bakala ngero ngiridano pachianira ngidirikiria bere morosi atonya okwale mantu ja west ja ODM iba kwenda gitikira do you know why they are sometimes even looking favorites nonto bakodrwa ngwata nirera bainyo it is very strong Western Luya they are number 2 kana number 3 kile population but no kuba baki aliria anything oteki ba waliri pateko chwagite bariwa twetere twendate tu iyo ba tengura baino daire ito choke druto tu ele pateko yato na ngero no deputy president nande patigire jalu kana lu Nyanza kana Nyanza injeno kana ndo Nyanza kweto kwaliri Nyanza they are number 5 or 6 kile population and everything else na lakini nataka maendeleo amona Luya land eringere ruto kura na nyinyo muno maendeleo jara mengi je kitu Nyanza not Luya land haya appointments ina jingi chino nao president atakarakara atara kinyano ukateka Kisumu iragarukire yendere nyakurukia Mombasa so what does it tell us? It tells us tuambile ku fragment no that's what has happened in Luya if they fragmented wataka Busia Bukusu angaba they are different watongeria bongwa mudavade na ba waja mote watengula na ba wenderengi wataka ndere bana tembea na mimi nisifuna wako na yao so they are, because they are fragmented like that nande president ina an opportunity of kolega ija ko ba anything na nobody wote muntu karo muntu bukaro wena watenere ku nande bato montikenya nande roku ale na togane nande montikenya east kura 1.2 ikiaria enge 2 point something ikiaria we are totona bila to kwenda kuona as a ngwataniro so it is better for us when we are together kinja kile to kuona kila to kuona ene tuona eno ndo bakwethera our numbers ora namba ikuingia no to kuthikira kile utongeria pothirikari
yes kunya kurirwa chama inge mono au indi kwenda kuga atiri tukiaria kinya cia level 6 level 5 mantu jau jonde na kindi kia kiuga ngogwakira level 6 you know that is national government na we is the deputy president ko na go ciukumiria jau batwe imbo bunge wetu toletete down it's our MPs ibo bataturuira bauga look for other alternatives and to beto ba no cimenti ne obaeta sibitari na mantu jajau ko kwena different levels kinya ria to gwita ke tukiringa campaign ke ground to ito kozidi ka civic education kanini what is the responsibility of who at a national level county level the whole of devolution chain what is the responsibility of each of your leaders nonto au ne otokomba kinya ko hold people accountable kende ke akwe cha national level hospital referral hospital iyo ni ngogewe ende bubunge wetu akorekeria our own hospital to just go nonto atamirwira atameariria atarwira antu baimenti ate barbariria ko kinya togitega nguge muntu tone nare atinda nare afiro no ofiro au mbunge wetu ofirire na ndito kureterwa kinya state lodge SG ya strip jau jonde no ofirire kairi mbunge wetu no twarethirwa ake divert funds you kenare kwena priorities yetu kana kinya kauga tutekwetwereka maendeleo ende yake ninde engi kenda our source of water our natural heritage it is preserved ko oni ngitega mantuja mainge mono jaguite no ntobwa abunge betu especially not only for Meru but for the whole country the caliber of the MPs we have today that the parliament today is not like the ones for the past baba tekurwira mwananchi bareta na wave na ipo orirwe ngugetia oburu na kurwira this level of na kuita ngugetia constituency level representation you ko that is one thing toketega ja jonde kinya president na rwandereo na failure to deliver the manifesto is cabinet na members of parliament yeah it's those are the ones who have failed to deliver are jere na manifesto enjaga mono ende adura either in the wrong team to deliver to implement which is something that we have to look into as we go into 2027 ende tokiaria mantuja regional na tribal na division the best thing is to remain united as Mount Kenya ende togitega in the future not only as a new politician and as a greenhorn I'm looking and because I've given myself to this space to politics at this point in time to be a leader for my people I want to look way into the future I want to be able to take us from here into the future natoka tega only retega a time when we will not have tribal or regional politics atitoka dhura atongoria beto tokiuga bara baga twitera nguki tuteko tega president na nare umite kana tribe kana tutega deputy owe nare umite kana tribe nare akareta numbers nare akareta strength and all that direnda kwithirwa kuona in the future tuitete na mbere in terms of unity kwentu kwemwe tukathura antu bara baga twitera nguki kinyaba umite from the same place kinyaba kare kuma from the same place na kinyaba kauma from a minority tukauga no ukomba kuita ngugi cietu na atuike mbere as a country as we move into a developed country as we move into first world as we move on into that we will need to move away from regional and tribal politics at some point for us to reach the levels we want to reach.
Thank you. Haya, ibaka sana mutegeri omiru tiwimbe tikire tujuge kanya kadaika imwake tukunde gikombe kya ruti thani tuthe tuchokera ukomba kuthira kumari kwa mitambara na tuchokera na tukwenda kuchoka aja kaunti ya Meru tumba kuna Meru nyoni na ni kinya riko tukinyite ni ariko tukinyite atongeri bara twina bo Meru kethira iba utwitira ngugira batire kuthaba gitwitira kana kinyabo ibangwana ni bonde kana ni mbile jongwa igwita nambra no makobe kwetha kuna difference lakini tuketha tuitegera mantu jo jondo na twachokera ukomba kuthira gitaita kuraja.
Chapa na ndaka ichindire mainda ngiri 5 ya beti yaku onyuma ya ndeka 20 wachetha na chiringi 20 ugaichindira ngiri 100 na wachetha na chiringi 40 ugaichindira chiringi ngiri 200 chetha na chiringi 100 uichindire nusu milioni hau ngoroki kuri na into bia nyomba na bia biashara bia kuichindira la smart TV, fridge, cookers, mashini cha kuthambia ngari, mitambo ya kuchanganya na kuruga cake, bonda, mashini cha kuora na kuumia nguo, bills cha mitumba, solar panels, tuk-tuks na ngari muthemba jo maruti. Tonya thimuni yaku kiri M-Pesa na wikire paybill iriani 440 kana 150. Amount ikira kuma chiringi 20 mwanka ngiri 2. Account ni Meru TV. Changamka sasa, tatua chapa na kazi na daka.
Yes, odi anto Meru County, Tharaka Nithi County, Isiolo County, na Kinyambu County, ntorerio cionthe ciithire kiretie ituri bionthe bianthe bira bimagaruo nkuja na ntato sire na murio tamatanta jamasono jagi empekea uki atia we ukwenda kwethira wina mantu ukwenda kumenyithia antu nukwenda track kana ngare ya rudishu aja ni oturi nini wewe areria antora ndongo na ndongo antu bakwigwe warie tankongi maugene atiri gwo kwenda kugire skuru yaku gwo kwenda kuthia road show kana kiatho kira kionthe kwenda sauti yenene atiri aja tuli na ngare ya road show ira tugukunenkera na maguri jara kuguna muko jo waku na kinyawenda tukwejania muna mugi kana na MC sound irere aja nirete onekete kaire kuma ndiguro rombo kuma gitara baroti ko ye gitara banumo ngagucoka kwa Jesu runguru eria igurura matu na kinyamanga nyoni na ndenjo mo gutoneka engeta eje Thimo namba 0725 170 744 uthirogisi gwatira ngari yaku ya road show na kinyoke ya kuthawe na kiatho aunja ni oturi turakwe nagwe taritho na gutu nini wewe turekane you can read about it in the Daily Express
Kristo akurikia kuritana rito bawe gukurukira uringi bwa biama nawe nabatumire gutambia ruteto rwa Murungu kire migongo yonthe eje niyo mission area ya Rinene
Mwathani antumire mwaka jwa 73 na antuma migongo yonthe na nandi na arantumire no kurobo na inda atonyanire na thiri twitite na bongo gigitari raja na kione kikiagwa nkorone cieto atiri kana nkorone ciao iba ikirundu na kwenda nguriro kagari gakumba gwita untu gukwinge wiki angume Mwathani mono ntumikire twana machukuru Mwathani ambira chukuru ana baba bakoya muno intonye imbeta ya machukuru ngatethia na romba yakwa twana tutunyi
ni mwinjilisti wa kanisa twetu tunaitwa Grace Gospel Prophetic Center no wandite kanisa tu na mathe atwire mwinjilisti miaka yawe yonde mwankira nande nikio atumirite migongo yonde na Mwathani na mutumite ete akaunjirie twana na akaunjie migongo yonde nikio gitumi tariki 9 mweri June 2026 twena maketha ya kumugurira missionary car aria gitune Grace Gospel Prophetic Center nibwega nibugetiugani winde Ameru tumireni tugwatie kugurira muinjilisti ujuwe
Chokia rogono
Chokia ni rugono
Jokia dogono gote muntu te rugono rwawe na gote rugono rutitumi ukaigua rukagono. Jumatatu cionthe Meru TV tukureterete mubango jwa Jokia rugono, mubango juri na murutira jwa utoro withura witho bwa mothio jwa kenga ukinyaniria bwa iroto na umbani buria tugutura gatumenya rugono rwaku kume kuriro. Iji ni ngono iri na mataro wigikana gukaniria nkoro na igutureta amwe ndene ya muturire. Jokia rugono Jumatatu cionthe kwambiriria thaa 2:30 cia ugoro mwanka thaa 3:30 cia utuku miangatene ya murithi wa baja kwa Meru TV. Tatua chapa na ndaka ichindire mainda ngiri 5 ya beti yaku onyuma ya ndeka 20 wacheza na chiringi 20 ugaichindira ngiri 100 na wacheza na chiringi 40 ugaichindira chiringi ngiri 200. Cheza na chiringi 100 uichindire nusu milioni hau ngoroki kuri na into bia nyomba na bia biashara bia kuichindira smart TV, fridge, cookers, mashini cha kuthambia ngari, mitambo ya kuchanganya na kuruga cake, bonda, mashini cha kuora na kuumia nguo, bells cha mitumba, solar panels, tuk-tuks na ngari muthemba jwa maruti. Tonya thimuni yaku kiri M-Pesa na wikire paybill iria ni 440 kana 150. Amount ikira kuma chiringi 20 mwanka ngiri 2. Account ni Meru TV. Changamka sasa, tatua chapa na kazi na ndaka.
Karibu ringi mutegerio Meru TV na mutegerio Thiri FM twete na mbere kwitha tukiaraniria kuringana na rwari rwetu tukwaringura unethiro kintumira SMS ciaku ninkuona nti bantumirite SMS kathumba nkageria kuwata SMS ira nkomba then tugicokagia ora tugwita na mbere kwa hivyo endelea kuchituma bila shaka ngomba kuthira kiwata SMS na at the same time utero Facebook Meru TV Kenya. Kwa hivyo tuchokera tukuchokerete na ruterero account ya Meru tukwenda kuna Meru niona hata iendelete Southimenti na ara wakili Olivia kuromba kura ikathiate na niki nontu aronere arombe kura izi thai ringi central Northimenti agethera agiture jau jonde na the same time tuketha twitegera inyama tujengie Meru ni bangiri mantu za maingi muno. Meru ni kwirekethera ina hair strip, Meru ni kwithira kina estate lawn, twina golf course, ira Meru bakwenda kwithira bagiakira na kinya mantu tukomba kwithira tukiyategera na kinya kingwe cia ngavana nyecho tutagere ni riko because ikwithire kwina tetezi kwamba ngavana wetu ra twino wa Meru ngugira akwinia kana tu akanyereka ina gwimwene bati ngugitia wira akwinia ni cia national government na cia county ira batere kwithira akita ya for example mathoko ndira tukwigwito gwakirwa mathoko iyo ni ngui ya county but national government ibope kujo twakira thoko mbeca cia Kenya I mean cia Meru iri batere kwithira igiaka mathoko za inaigwita ngugire thoko kana mbeca cia Meru batere kwithira gitari inaigwita kikyo kiuri andu bakwitha bagicio ni kionko ndatuza tucokire mwananchi kawina tukwena arua na twambiririe nawe bwana Kathurima ngotike ni bitu no tukwenda no kwithira field ni bitu andu bakiaria nambi mbeca ira cibatere kwithira kijamiro no tuki each and every budget ira itherwe yakiri financial ya mwaka ri Meru no itherwe ina mbeca ciayo thoko kethira turi yakirwa ni national government into bibinge bira kuigwa ngavana akiaririve national government ni level 6 no national government mbeca cia Meru iria ibatere kuthirikiritaira ngui mu Meru na ciumanite na ngavana na tunya ngavana mbisi vetha bena flagship project ciao iria bati kuthira bena cia apart from its ya MCs zinaenda wapi?
Actually, kira to gujira nonto kire otaka the budget, let's say that last year's budget era this June. The budgeted amount was around 14 billion. Out of it, development budget was around 3 billion. Now 3 billion agent to put to kemi ona kire areas. Area county in Awugi, especially health, agriculture is 100% involved. ECD, this nursery schools, na Kwena Njira ile chia county government, chia Mature na nale, chia Maramu and the like. So we are not to take we are not feeling that 3 billion development in it. Heki kire batu nakuwa nali most of the pending bills. Na ida na ora ikiriembesha. Okay, me nakugaragira sibitari hizo kuona ndawa somehow kwenye kedro atutumba kuga it is to the level that is satisfactory. But then naletoga kiri mantoja masibitari. Tutakona that development ere masibitari ule speed era dese turerigiri tukuirigira. Eno ndubwa kwidrwa sibitari ile dispensary. Ija kwidrwa zake upgrade wa jamu. Wazotone the hospital I think 2. Mikombone na another one. Icho akichi upgrade ito. So hiyo kuga chama doko. Chama doko ya zingu ke county government. Na ina neutron ISS from the same madoko. Lakini oteka the national government, the reason why barato kiri madoko non to boa housing levy. Housing levy jiba kodurania. Icho barone nembesi ni nyingi mono. So bona chondi itiaka manyombaki. Beta waka bongera hostels. Cha litwa. Cha colleges. Na bacho kabongera nande madoko. So na national infrastructure fund yenyewe iba kwenda kuleta into those directions. So the governor na kwena muligo wa kutaulirwa yuju madoko and the like. Nande kire our public participation kana kwa utukudiro ngo kire matora. Anto baitwira yes. Mbechi tuburi kutoka turaburi wakere wachadoko. Itije tunenkire mbeo. Itunenki turetere agriculture extension officers nambi na ndoje nambi kenda chumba kutukira njaro uji devolved. Supposed to be done by the governor. Kenda bomba kukiria the economy. Ondunya to koi nyingi ore imbika didiro itena ngwe kanya kine ra tutere to koi makara za kwendroku ndebe tu. Na hizo kwa more than 8 million. Lakini makara literally ndebe tu. Hizo za lido kwa yonde.
Why?
Toa boli ni ndia ko tukutumira. Ana turande tu didiata. Ori na ndeng kule maiko ora na kule maiko. Neto ya to kai ko no ka ule ronge.
Butego ronya na kuruki. Tidoko ni.
Idoko doko indene tinjirene. Yes. Ani na ba kurukira. Kedere ino doko ore igwa kwa. Especially nyaka nyaki nera. Amini kariene. Kariene to aleo. Tudira doko ile maligo. Yere o sto. Nondo bako dirwa inyawe kira maligo utimuntu ukaja kugura. Antu baita kugura ndarene. Araba menyereti. So pakugura nembesi ichima miari. Itenge utedia ungi kinya ruje kana gintu kingi. Kana to kadirwa a proper irrigation systems. Kana kimera to kaleto kimera kimwe. A proper breed. Kira kiga tutedia. So generally the county government policies chayo ite witanya na interest cha mwananchi. So mbechire menya itiaga ngugi mbechire china a lot of things to do. So
now what should be done because ngote kithirikari kiambiri woka thoko je gukugira iwa ya na example maybe pengine bagategera bakona yara anto benda iria marigo njirene pengine bakona nande to bakire thoko anto bebe njirene betura baina anto aya yakonderia maybe produce cia ira bakumacha mundene lakini kwa tukanto bara nonto nabo iba menyeri gukara wa njirene bakona kuri ugumu maybe gutonya ndene ara thoko iri but thirikari ikienda ri ntiku antu bara batere kwaririo tu pole pole bakita bagitonya kiri
mbere ma
thoko
ugateka the current government itiku ya gukurio au tuthithia atia kenda iwenda this project iri jega kwira ugo ithoko kwenda na urenda thoko ngoroba ithano na tugake kariu so ikethro it's the environment you wakire iti conducive tumu ura kwenda mundu gateka thoko ja ndare nandi ura babange ara njireni no tege thoko ura yaki you see no mwaka mtu acho parking acho keitie ngoroba etaga jogo kura so antu baluga no teka thoko ja mbuga imbije mbuga tetano okorwa kutus okorwa kutus wetete sagana there's a big town there toko yao ya kijandaren exactly on the road na yani nete tengoroba ile lakini ya kibwega muno neta netie na njira na ugikoroka tu okwani orento bidongi you just pack and buy and they sell a lot so mbere ma thirikari itekoranire na wananchi kenda bole kedro ithoko kwenda ri bwenda thoko ikariate no tegenya makutano agwetwa aja thoko yetu makutano kedro turanto ba force dirwe kuma ome thoko ere tingedro ina antu thai antu abarazimishiro balingwa mafaini na mapeni nambi na bakiurawa yedo batonyere ndene ara so mbere ma project sijiri kudido cha thoko ri ite kudidwa with the proper consultation, with the proper public participation. Ekidi Cairo, not managed, micromanaged public participation, but a proper public participation here. Antu bakuwa tuena wakira doko ekaliyo. Aya, twadikira antu, batu berato gwita kiri antu. Baduga doko itina maana muno ki batu. Ito chura doko market ya wa produce. Why nikitu tukwenda wakira wakiara antu ba Nairobi pakezaira. Taka koromona ndi irenda kwa thoko ere muno so it means ile ikare zishirambruka cia Nairobi kujira into ene mukulimo ro marigo ura weta marigo kioro ne ara marigo jara ja menjura koko nombera mukulimo ora ka organized properly atome ku marigo jara Nairobi na kendi atamo price ende block on Nairobi akeja yeja bagure na 400 shillings the poverty will remain ndo pesa kidogo muno so generally the county government it is to what it wants kubadidiria other than asking the people what do you want us to do now article 174 of our constitution it says clearly that serikali ya mchematura it's about the people it's about to do what the people want kila mtu akaliba county uba kwenda nibo buri kudidirwa no gateka na county zile kudigateria like that utonga ke count nyibu kuingia how does make ntikimontere ntegre kwero nkalemo ne hata le keep county you drone ya own revenue more than us na batu ya tunotonga porene kibo lakini bo governor Muredi akiuma ibo drone 1.something billion batu tu gerete buru 600 million to karato kirizo ni tau 600 to kachoka 400 to kaitia na nyuki the keep that I think they even pale manau 800 million na batena inya agricultural resource jabatu yani economy yao na yetu is bigger.
What's the difference?
Atongeria baburi kuma from their cocoons bamenye they are not there, they are not our gods but they are there for us we are not there for them just but tumerola kwenda na bedra beje miaka 5 ikathira ndo idinke miaka 5 ikathira na kebera na ungia gatonya so for that period ni atoburi kwethro keitheri ya miru teka na ndike mera jakemera ura para shirire para letere ya okategera ko no uge they are good but is it what akulima bakwenda no kwenda kuteja mkulima muno no mona leo kalikana thirikari itu eretere mantoje ikwachi gogo ikwachi bikende wana kunia ka 50 kg kuthimwa ende mkulima atena au mkulima arenda kwachi bio biguru na akendio ure menyeretie na nde thirikari akarekiuga ari wono kwa wewe mkunia ene thimwe 50 ende mkulima atena au na ni mkulima kukana nde aliza akakuthimira kaka tumo ka 50 ende kuongerwa wingi
kuyuri
ore bamenyete the competition
Okay.
and at the end of it all mkulima atatetheka ikwachi no ende ya o muturo ujure na ore gutuma no ende yo ure so what happened nande no mwaka thirikari ici menye erega kwereana na mwananchi na kumenya mwananchi miongo kwenda mbere buthithia sheria iria bukuthithia then mwananchi ura atitetheka and at the end of it all miaka mekathira na mwananchi ari no kyo o bure.
Okay, thank you. Madam Olivia, tugeza kiwe woni wiru mbakura sa nothimente. Nothimente izi no tukureterwa ya strip simbaya. No tukureterwa state launch, no tukureterwa golf course na no yo tukwenda kuwethelwa city. Na no yo bwana level 6 by the way mmblessiwa nyinyi mko na vitu mingi sana. But nande okari ya mutongeria kwena gitu kira tukuria of course golf course take thuki airstrip take thuki na kinya state launch take thuki ni tethagia na one way or the other but is it the priority no priority ya antu bamiru right now kwithira bari na golf course kana maybe airstrip te unontu nkona arora ixiolo kwina
airport
kwina airports mitongo ikwerekanite kinya kugethera kwina airstrip teu then amiru do we really need airstrip ingi kana i priority maybe cia thirikari itigwitaniria cia mwananchi.
The simple answer ke uria kiu no, it is not the priority. Na uria kinya my brother kuuga aja interest ya mwananchi, strong emphasis, interest ya mwananchi are not being considered. Na no kuona mantuja airstrip, mantuja hospitali, mantuja market, 5-story building market. It's not the priority. Antobeto ba Meru narua, ba Northimentu na Meru generally. Endi ndirenda kuchoka kairi ki mantuja devolution na mantuja arms of government. Who has the responsibility for what? Na kinya mantuja John the Jako dhidwa, because there's a strong emphasis, it's not the priority, it's not the interest. No bweri komenya jau. Imubunge. It's the MP. The job of the member of parliament is representation, which includes facilitation of public participation. Mantuja ujo ndeja interest na priority, no bweri kumenya jo imubunge wenu. No bweri ku facilitate maoni jenu. Facilitate maoni jenu agaikiria county government, riwa agaikia all the way national government. That's how the resources will be allocated. Na ina area bunge, national level, budgets use kwekirwa na karia wakitega once they come from the executive baka they debate the budget baka tega bakona how is the allocation has been made, have the priorities of my constituency been taken into consideration, have the things that have been put and allocated resources in the budget imantujaria antubeto bakwenda maoni jao imbi ngoria kiuria kiu nko debate kiuria kiu nko counter ndaugari te airstrip actually daktari ise gomete kana te airstrip ndawa to kwenda kanambi so you know such things when now it comes to the county level ngoge senator kinyawe na oversight eu kuona uria the funds are being used but when it comes to the interests of and the priorities of the people ngoge member of parliament na bunge beto batufeirite muno no to tena otoreigwa bakitwariria but they rubber stamp everything. Budget yeja rubber stamp. Priorities ya kuuga sijui toa ke markets, toa ke airstrip, toa ke wana rubber stamp. Na bageta bakina bakiuga bukarega maendeleo. Tutekorega maendeleo. Ato kuuga totege narea priorities yetu turi na bila to kwenda buthithia na mbeca yu cietu. Na kinya ke markets yu to kuugira. Kwepopa kuuga bila to kwenda hygiene tukwenda drainage, tukwenda waste management. Ende nandi batigwa jo bakoga tukabwakira ke na ora bila bakwenda waste management na kinyapa ya kai ke bakwenda they are not addressing the core issues that were there from the beginning, waste management, sewer systems and such things. Na kinya tugitega mantuja tuitete kwa city tuikuraja mono ketha aja tutena kinya waste management kana proper sewer systems tutemba kwithwa tukiaragia cia city na city eteretwa no tubwa golf course ikaretwa na all those other parameters because they are queen parameters.
Yes,
lazima tuende anto I think it's 250,000 in that kwa kinya toke ni municipality yake ekaedwa city kana Northimenti yonde kana what is the boundary na kinya boundary hiyo kwenda kumenya how will it be demarcated na it'll be beyond the binge bibiri kwithwa all those other services that should be there before we get to that level, because there are things that precede the becoming a city. No tote atibatu tutukauga tuenda kwa city riu tumethia city atukethera tuina interview bikamethia city.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, otegera ya tu for example mantu ya rujira wirwe bwana Kathuri makiariria sometimes back urijo watri maroje au municipality ntakumya nara rukinyite ntakumya boundaries ciayo rome was do rwititie yani do rwitirie na 300% yokwigwa kiwa na ntu baingi batheta sana, lakini wathikira maoni ya tongeri beto ukaigwa wa wenya wa wandielewi ora uni ndi mukari kana ndi munyu yoro nti kwelwa what is happening kenda ndetwa budget I mean bill nene ya ruze kinya tongeria baba ku make laws but kumenya because I remember ntukuyo mantu jagwete mwanki muno ndagirwe MCO municipality akiuga msilipe maji mtura wenda ukeja bukare ya ruze then yojo magaruka kaira ature indira thingatire mantu jana ndiraigwa kwamba kurira andu ya jokitwe ya kuthithia sewerage system na not si weta thithirwe ikyo gitumina ndi irandure irambiri kuri wona imuno tukuongero bili eruzi kutuika ibo kure that means mbandani yonte choka kiri mwananchi na tuchokere kiri munyu yoro ruzi si wewe nyeta thitho bado iko hapo pesa sijui iko wapi. Then tuikarakara ringi kidogo bambiri kwa sijui tarifu ile kiriro sijui anganiba mewas kwa sijui wapi wasrep sijui nini tionda tiaretwa uwe na ndiko atuika matuwe kaja rungi kwa but bagwendere ni kure aroji hata sasa sijui imefika wapi but still people are suffering na at the same time roji Kenya kuoneka like kuna availability throughout hakuna. That's one. Number 2 okay akutekera barabara ira nyingi ya ile thionunkirite tauni no tunani municipality municipality ni batari kodena njira imbega cionde ira thionunkirite municipality but wateka njira ira nyingi nyichi atiri na ingi ni ndoku kabisa still nokatu kwenda kwa city so tumefika hapo no tu kulingana na ndege mutongeria mwake arie ni aka muntu akwenda tu mutongeria getaniru tuna maendeleo jarareta 1 2 3 kedra city ndanda ariko miro ni aire city kana kedra ni astribio ni jire but ate kuria consequences ciake wananchi ira bagati wacho no tu kwa maybe murandi jugu areta. Do you think atongeri beto ba miro pengine including bonde para the MP the governor and all that iba kujali really mantu jira mwananchi okurukira aja ndene county Meru kana they are just there to make interest chio to come through na dreams chio bongo
kinya uninderete kia o tu auga I don't think they're for the people no to barithra ke bai ke witranto nguge to rotation. You know, all when we talk about members of parliament, they are representatives of the people.
Yes.
Mantu jara chonde to kwenda jaji izwa jabu ipo babwiri kwethwa bake twarairia.
Yes.
Mantu jara uje kinyo ni tije na aja kinya. Da kinya bill ekwa ndaumire x amount. Next month ndaona 10 times the price.
Yeah.
Na ndia ndingira MCA okwa. Kinya ukamuria MCA okwa na ndamuria. Na atakwa karwacha. Ambira ukare ambere etera wone. Kinya unita amenya ura kwa thithire because there is no transparency.
Yes.
Kuga kinya atongeria bate kumenya. There is no transparency and there is no accountability on any of the decisions ira tokona sikithithwa.
Yes.
Forest, Kinoru primary, Roger, sewer systems, markets. Ote transparency kinya tukomenya twakinyire atacha. How was this decision arrived at?
Yes.
Ibo dithite assessments, ibo arete nanto, eneo priority, imbeche ingana chiko allocate manto ja. Bakejokia kinya loans yu bakuga bajokirie. Tutaije.
Exactly.
Tutaije kinya tongeria bara ba ikuna arwa bataije. Ande bera batu yome. Batu yome we have no idea. Keda batongeria betu bara ba ikuna arwa. Batu komenya. And it is happening under their noses, but tukamenya ate, tukathingatira ate. So as we go to 2027, I'll keep emphasizing, we need to have leaders who will be able to put systems in place for accountability and transparency. Bara pa kwenda kuurwa kiuria, ende kairi, twendia kura sieto, biashara ethirira au, utemba kuuria mutongeria wenu kiuria.
Yeah.
Na ndiketha no enderie kiuria ku uteoria kiuria ke mujumbe u nonto na bwathirie biashara agura kura akorea biashara ethirira au ko today tutemba kinya kuuria utonde documentation you utone ru ni na yaumire na imbeche ngana ciareterwe na ina ngogere kuitite tukerwa tu bukambira kuria nonto ibabwe bukaria
Yes.
ata nata kinyere kibatu ikuria just the same way you're saying aute muntu okomenya kinya uni tena I have no clue nonto we have not seen any documentation same thing with the forest we didn't see any assessments which were done we did not see how the decision was arrived at how the location was identified nara kugitiri ketha ni kasi baugite utina uturona documentation ene te uninko oria kiuria kiu imubunge okuria sitting onda tonya nande nkethwa ndina mandate yu na ndirenda ntu bakwa to hold me to task batwire inata kwendelea go and find out and come and tell us and don't come to tell us mantu jathukire turenda withirwa wiku bariuga 2022 icio discussions icio ciambiririe ina bubunge wetu ari Jojo on the jake karika mwanka na aru atukoona na ndi mantu ja karikire go really backstops to the MP when it comes to the people.
Thank you. Bwana Kathuri matukeja okay mantu joja muito iturone public participation ikithithio the other day na bwana enderete kethre tathira that is public participation ikinturi ithithiru kintu kiambiriru kuthithwa kana imbere kiambiriru kuthithia antu bagwa kethre bakienda kana bate ukienda nonto airstrip wira ya kimwanga it's almost maybe complete lakini dhaire kuthithirwa public participation. Do you think kuna transparency leo because itonera ningi atongeri betu bakiringa kibara bauga airstrip bukugira state lounge bukugira airport ko mienda ukega akwa mpende msipende itajengwa miti twero miti niyo ite gwako kigithaka kienu na miti kegita waningi ka andu engine kauma so kinyenge ka andu na yume na true to their ones itukone airstrip no yenderete gwita ituko makanikinya nyumo ile kithaka ura ikuwezeka no tendeka goko nto kwenye ichiambirire ite kura tayari but I don't know how true is that but public participation yeginto ithithairwa kintu kiambirirwe kana in before kinya kiambirirwa
of course it will be before na lande what era diru in forest by their public participation and the final public participation area will kuruki anything will affect wananchi by that area where the MP if it is something concerning national government the MP nobody kuja kwa their public participation they are supposed to facilitate according to Article 196 haya tuejakiri no kona to tuga dirikali nitega kona but we are disparate enough ito bori kuleta rogin to ora ba kodwani no mundurande bategete bona kana leaders beto bara ba kola ispa play second phase role balira president ya strip about you to kenda mono you see that's what they expected that we shall say thank you they don't to go in the airport ya strip I mean well whatever lakini nande what they didn't know is that batino to pinge the same airstrip and the barona development rotary pakone batino to pinge state lodge and they didn't have that one in their mind but other one it's not anything they will just come and tell us to get wow ito twakangire ni haraka nande gembere ni je tukange Nairobi but you see we are not as foolish as we look somebody ambugeja kama greatura we are not as foolish as we look we have done our research to domete we know what we want so into vitu toko vipinga ndo toko vinid itoko vienda ya level 6 yeje we really need it desperately lakini ande why are you coming to niko kwenye kampuni like if you playing about with my poverty yo kaja kucheza no kemo wako ikumponi ogwa nyaka ikakungani kenda wala kila tu level 6 wewe umetosheka na nenda kuletera kaya strip huko tengani na ndio tukolerwa yes like me I'm an aircraft engineer that's what I was doing in the Kenya Air Force me I know an airstrip is just an is just a konto kurebi kwetu lirwa maramu mtu ejana chartered plane ote commercial plane keja ku kana passenger plane kana ambi I chartered plane as in oni bete wisoni yara komborendege eje na keja ku land pilot aka ote mtu staff okedro leo ote nya kioroge gako nothing
then inafaidi mwananchi aje
sasa tunajiuliza maswali
Exactly. na orongo kuga ati ngugi ati antu bakona ngugio
Kira
alafu
kile
mwenyewe wana ndi menyalo kumenya to notion ira bainio ndege kethro ria uni ke za kethu ngo ndota Nairobi ngeta ranga ite ndege ngaeta Nairobi ndani na pete ya
na beto bandiki ku makethera kiati viba kithira
ndio mandreza kaithu jairi kukenjwa kwekiro mara mithirweri gundu ndege yomba kuland that's one kabiri gekiro ira windsok no kona kanyumira kange yengi karaja bendera ekone pilot yari guru nera ruguita so ote mtu inya ndio komwira kethera landika not so pilot ya kinyono ntu muito na kamba kuringira askari agetwa mutegera kethera kwena ndenjero amukaririe yuna ndia kalandi arandi antobara kama ndiza ba kinyande ndege wagachoka Nairobi no mona kukombora matatu Meru ugakombora matatu wita Nairobi na kuchoka matatu yara akinya Nairobi ya gwikandi no achoke susha mulipa cost yote ate kara gwetera passenger so that's what is come you know to kwero no to wakirwa as an airstrip na ndeke yora bila tuchuria Kakamega president yetere wana nda upgrade to an airport a mini airport na pavilion ne wako dai Bungoma ni wako kwa Tengula a mini airport na pavilion pavilion ni nala passengers ba jaba ase kona baka dutandege so with such na no passenger aircraft no ya mwe na nde matatu ja ndege antu meruge ukara meru ero na matatu ja ndege no ja mwe tiga mbeta Bungoma gachoka no ndo kuna kila proper tamak enjere ndege yaki properly kwena security kwena yes kwena unto kwa passengers parera ba beterete isamzire kidati
nanto bakaandiko bakuwa nandiko
yes nanto bakaandiko and that's what we want tutakwenda ya strip tutana ambaye cha kombora ndege Nairobi we need that one kebi aya tu menandiki nande apart from that the location nare wako bajete bona batu antoba gora munda kumakire batu batu akira kene kia ndege e batu tunye muito jorei batu diririe miti eno ndo muito jojo wala miti jo adirua some years back joko dirua ilo to bogora ja machomoro ja bago ja umite ku ilo ja umire aya anto barare bakwe waka nguge alimi bale memingaona ambira kini bakimenya irai miti it was the process was starting lakini ita kinya anywhere na nembere nye kinya anywhere na ino jirena ndio chokanya kinya erere tiki metera moja moja ilikuwa imebaki uguita yonde kendo diastri so no korande ijaka ko declare roire pate ko ndinga yeni mo no already half of roire te kona ngai so ogateka those things cheple then you know kadida public participation yakari owe ni eku igotothirie batu turi anto ba no dimentia especially anto barwire they depend on this forest for that haya tu meu tu je kire state lodge imbugeta so many times we don't have any issue with it no ndo state lodge no mona muntu wena ekcha kuidano o aro kenda wakanyombe ku who is going to tell you not to ndo state lodge ni public ni dirikali inyombe president yeah so no kenda waka inyombe waka Mount Kenya egurwale go and build ndo taka kwenda ida kula space gani ete koni ni guita munda ne akwena alega kwa ndo kika yake mwijire and that's we stole it so state lodge that one we don't have any much issue with it ndia to kuria tiri budget iwe kwa state lodge ndo ni around 8 million 8 million ni murumere yote tudiri siweji ote eni inyaka ndro uga twakira state lodge but priority chetu na ina ile chike dual ekuma ke komene mwanga show ground that's why our priorities are na yote kuona instead of doing that ane president araugere tigeni kutaka kaite milioni kama mtu kwenda kuzira kwa state lodge ndina plan 41 billion project Meru na 41 billion ile mwaka hiyo mudia ogotumira no 20 eno ndo 41 itu mana 1 year budget year adirere otechio ile na idi 350 million and from 7 billion budget so we utakona na priorities chetu na cha government itakuitania aya tuetake golf course golf course kitume tukurwane. I'm a golfer. I am a member of the Nanyuki Sports Club. It's a golf. Golf is nearly a private thing.
Yeah.
No tutianto bonde nyaka deto kwero angatucheza golf. Hiyo ni ya matajiri peke yao.
I agree with you.
Kiti ile kucheza
It's very
golf.
expensive.
Kiti ile kucheza golf ya kwenda itere South Africa 120,000. And it was the cheapest.
Na ndo bana bomba kwa afford.
Haya, kucheza golf. For one to come and play that golf, you must belong to that club. No mwankole ya minimum 3,000 shillings per month.
3,000.
Kucheza that day of going to play that golf. Ukale ya mtu ule ukamatira that kit. 1,000 shillings. Every round ukamulea. And on top of that, ukale at the club. So it means it cannot be run by public. Nundu mtora ukamatira golf kit. No mwankadira bangi mtu.
Yeah.
Haya, Drian Bechero kale the club kila kenda emenyera the golf course. No mwankadira bangi. Haya, generally ndadi ngeja kucheza golf, no mwakambire nena kuntu kwa wita kweria, kuchange nguo and all that. No mwakadira kumenyeri mtu. So which is this public? You know, baenda kwa didio na public land. So can county government do it? Ikorande ikaande kanto po organize it. Idrande pa organize the club. It's not possible. We have never heard of public golf course. Nyali bale walijaribu. Ikashindikana ikakuwa listed by the government to private people. So eje bareja ko di the same thing. Bareja ko juke muito jueto padi the golf course ye ndongi alafu kwa bachilisere atadhuru away price. Then ande pa kalero ande it will go to private hands, but it's a public land.
Yeah.
That's why we fought with it. Tunga Beru University nenda ko the golf course. Why ane don't? But they have kanya kau. Bakayo on their land. Na bakamenyera. Na kedo ere hao. Nenda kucheza golf le. I will go and play my golf there. Nenda kwa member, I will be a member. So you can see those things. Chonde, one priority chetu ite within chao. Secondly, they are taking us to be so disparate that whatever they tell us, but we expect to take Angeria. The MP came the other day at Kenoru Primary School. Na kwenda kugita neka kenda akai county sub county headquarters. Na hito twachuria yani dirikali yetumba kugura munda neje tu nyeka primary kage tu munda tukupa tubangeta to expand this school ojo ki that piece of land work sub county headquarters. And you know the moment you do that you are bringing now already need to two others. Then you see all these things they show that one our leaders they have portrayed a very disparate Meru which can accept any meager development for the sake of just supporting the government. Nande batu na to do we are big stakeholders in this government. That's one. We are big stakeholders. We were number 4 kulingana na serikali kura. We have a deputy president. So we need bigger things. Ito kwenda kedra I kieni kiu kiandeke tutakirwa a proper kieni kiandeke. Kinya kedra pate kwenda kwa kametongole nyunda tueneye itegorwe na dirikali according to chapter 6 of the constitution. Leko etekeria. Public land, community land, individual land. Government can acquire any land from anybody. Si ikuje na pesa tuuzie shamba kama wanataka shamba mzuri watujengea proper airport. Amini airport. Wena ndeta nkaigwa ndiwakirwa airport. Not an airstrip.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Madam Olivia tukija kiwe kaidile no wira momero ni kinonto ukwenda kitiki kia Northiment because now imbio yongo kona maybe pengine itivivetwe urori ndenge na kuona ivivetu kana ndenge ona wananchi ba Saudi ba Northiment sorry bakari noro kuthugane pengine ukanengwa that chance maybe womba ku make that difference. What is that difference yenye unaona kweli mimi nikipatiwa hii kiti MP urori ku ate kuthithia 1 2 3 na uninda kuthithia wananchi kintu kiu at least bakethera bari sawa sawa.
And dina personal reasons na dina reasons when I look at arato kinyete ja Northiment. There is a personal reasons you ntwari yake ground ile. Ende ngenda tega Northiment arato kinyete. Ikuona potential nene muno na itwambirira kuga uria North Imenti itigi nyuma ito kuga ja ujonde mantu ja barabara, mantu ja services, mantu ja all the priorities that we have, none of them have been done. And North Imenti being the capital of Meru, inkuona the potential is great if there is the right leader. Na oni na mbitete nguge 20 years in the United Nations as a professional at high level. Na the humanitarian work. You know, humanitarian work is what I did. It is my passion. I am a humanitarian worker. Ko unkeja kinya gwitira antu betu ngugeba North Imenti ndejite na any other objective. Humanitarian work. For me, I equate the same. Being a leader of a constituency and the work that I was doing is the one and the same thing. It's working for the communities. Ingogetia community nguita. Ko nkiuma nde na nkeja nde ote tofauti. Oni ankuendeleza tu nguge ende nande bitete nguge ndei nyinge mono indiraonere kaire at some point people irachima tochokenja twanenkerwa kanya na aciari betu bakatuthomithia bakatunengera nafasi tugeta gwita nguge na wome tugaita nguge na very strong institutions, international institutions. We gain a lot of experience. Na nije institutions hiyo te corruption now or mantu ja gwita nguge for the community or asiburi gukara. There's a lot of systems in place, a lot of oversight in place, and a lot of because we get this money from donors, we have to account for every penny. Kooni inkomenya how to do that. I know how to put systems in place to be able to account for every penny and to be able to deliver. Non to kita nguge na organizations jaishi. We have to see ina mpesa sietere na impact yeo. Te mpesa sie kuthira na antu bakuria ari. Impact yeo nembi. Na tukiambiria any nguge tuambiragia na plans yetu siambiragia na consultation with the people. What are their priorities? What are their interests? What do we start with first? How do we ensure resources ile sina sio isikuthithia impact? Kuna ndinkeja North Imenti ndina budget na package nene mono in terms of the skills I have and in terms of the experience that I have. I know how to deliver for our community and I have worked at country level. So this constituency urindirona nkethwa ndina ngugira isi mono tugita nguge na antu ba North Imenti. Na mbese ucio nde kuigwa chikeja CDF na resources iwinge cio nde ciuma ke North Imenti na kinya budget iwinge tukethwa tukomba kwethwa tucibangirite thainge totally fail. We fail because we don't know how to plan twina mubango but how to implement it and how to deliver tutekumenya twina atongeria batena experience yu na nije bantu jaja politics. We need to move away from politics to leadership. Nonto anto barija ke campaign bakaringa gituma bakaina ndansi bakatwira ura mantu jabugi ura bakatuthiria ende ugitega background yao bakamba kujukia iu na bombe ko deliver. You know anto ba North Imenti na Meru na Kenya yonde tubuni nande kuambiria kutega akaomba kuthithia ngugeu because it comes, you have to have experience and you have to have the right educational background and you have to have the skills and most of all you have to have the will for the people. Ko irachima tutege background ye muntu wengwa te uria kuina kana uria kuganduka kana ethe ari o kana ngina ari o kana ndina mbeche ingana kana nkunenkanira handouts na ndira irachima twethe tukitega kwingugi kwenda gwitwa twinira ndwimbo na ganduka mono indi akomba gwita na ndi unikija ke North Imenti mbijite na skills yu na ndi nontu ndirenda antu bere wa who I am na irachima bere we who I am kenda bomba kwitikia ndomba gwita ngugiu ko kinyanke aria mantu ja background yekwa anko bera experience inde neo ora tutuita job interview utera gwa omba kwina omba kuganduka nukumenya uria kubanga guns batetu uragia uria tukabanga guns boragia ingogere kwingi waita eomba kuonania skills you ina cio ukomba gwita competency based and that is what we want to move to turenda kuma is making na politicking tokinye ke leadership that shows capacity na ntikwenda kwaria mono mantu ja sera kana ja manifesto nonto that will come at a later stage because I believe strongly ke kwaria nantu public participation maoni jantu kinya manifesto ekwa tukamita the North Imenti manifesto totemita Olivia Gacheri manifesto na kita manifesto yu ne anto bongo bakamina bakauga twaugire ucio na ucio ni ucio tukwenda kuthithwa na oni batetheria na ndikubonagia atiri tukamithithia ucio because now that is my role as the MP. Kwa manifesto ikeja bandaye na ikeja bandaye I challenge all the other aspirants by the manifesto yao na tuije debate buje botorie biuria tugera tukauga na tubonie tuwe platform nemwe onto thai urigwa muntu ariaja ure no kaigwa muntu auga nwe waugire ko manifesto anto batwe kanya twite au mwishone batwite twinde au akwe twite na nde elections batwerehe na ndi kubuthikira na bwatuthikira na ndi bubangite ata twije tuge debate ine. That's how you're able to tell competence. Na indi kitega the general overview ndina my campaign pillars of focus na aren kuona kwina gap na nare anto bama othimenti bambirite onara ngeta baragia about opportunities for the youth. Gen Z barejere bathoma youth barathomere kwina so many universities anto baretere anto bonte by na degree indi bonte by nja but you where are we going to get opportunities for the youth? And me from my experience again, because you know it's not just about talking, it's about experience. This is something I've already done in many other countries. How we connect the youth to opportunities even outside the country or even the digital platforms. Thai tomba gwita kwitera nguge na areori we computer ne ogita nguge na Microsoft America. Na iba kuchwanto bau. No tukinyapo everything is about being cost efficient now. Tera sima mtu eje America akare obisine na akimama nyomba rented. Omba gwitera nguge na areori because now we have this digital globalization and digital development where you can work from anywhere in the world. So tote kugati anto bonda tirachima bete kanambi kanato to batonyithia thirikari ne nyuje dirigwa anto nkwenda tu kwa nderebo ku umpandike ja nderebo ku. No, we have to think even wider outside the box and look at where these opportunities are. Now ngweta kwegita nguge tuitanguge na very many companies from Europe, from China, from America, all these developed countries where they are looking for how can they do also processing in a cost efficient manner. Bakauga anto tojukia kauga kenu toreta mwankana kana tojukia avocado chenu toreta mwankana to processor unande to amberia kwendia kaire tuteje now we kumira. We don't even need cold chain, you know, all these things. We come to your Northimenti to ikerega factory geto au twandike anto benu tuithitere nguge au na kinya avocado kau kakwendia kwa bokwendia chiringi 10 nao nande tuguregana no to kinya na are bagura 300 bob. No kona nande everybody is a win-win. But it is to look at those opportunities and where they are. And only somebody who's been exposed to that kind of opportunities can know where they are and how to have those linkages. When you talk about dignity for families, unande mantoja finance bill, mantoja to make sure that people can afford their lives. You know, being able to represent the people even at that level. Women empowerment, when you empower women, you build very strong communities. GBV, gender-based violence, financial empowerment for women, oria toka abakomba kwethira baina same opportunities even as all other as men as well and such things. Accountable development, this one is a big thing. Accountable development kinya kintu ja CDF. Turenda kwethira twina systems in place. No turigwa nande oria kukarwa muntu ari nenkirwa basari omba kukinyira mubunge okanenkerwa basari abari abatukumba kukinyira na kinya basari ukonenkerwa, there's no criteria. Muntu ari nenkerwa ngiri bangi barenda 20 ende bare nenkerwa ijiri na nde kinya akare mwakure is 18,000 ko mwana wa teta chukuru no to nande na remere kukinya ende itotumere tanenkanire basari na CDF yonde evira and there was no impact. So we also have to measure what we are doing with the impact. Nande meaka yo yonde tuge meaka 15 more than it's in the billions, almost 20 billion. What has it done? Have we seen the impact? When we look at our schools, when we look at our children, have they gone to school? When we look at all those other things that the CDF funds does, you know, the police post, chief's office, mantujajau. I hear a lot of complaints. They thank ground and to buy na complaints in nyinge mono. Now 20 billion later, to be required to cure now the development that has been done. So when we put the systems in place, a fair system that every child who needs bursary has been reached and has been able to get it. And to get kinya ke haru na aria kwa Ndinyoro twatega nde kwa GK Kariuki na kwa Ndia bonde ana barita chukuru free chukuru chionde sina all facilities. How are they able to do it and us we are not able to do it? The only difference is the leadership. Only the leadership is the difference. And how they utilize these funds. How accountable are they? Ito kuona nare guita, ito kuomba kuria kiuria, the ones who I need, iba kuomba kukinyira, such things. Okay. Na of course even the town rule or linkages, ora tu kwa raia mantuja barabara, kureta town, kuita beyond, tote kwenda tu kuwethera tokenda ya matu majeto uni na uwe toke ompenderia nka kwenderia ari. Turenda kuona biumete mundene, bia kinya tauni, bia uma tauni, bia kinya ome. So all those linkages we need to be able to have them and safer communities for sure. To nini. Not meant to create a peace for a very long time. But it doesn't mean that we do not invest in security. It means that we have to make sure that to maintain security by ensuring we are working with law enforcement, police posts, police stations, and then all other law enforcement agencies to make sure kinya to nini to kuigwa sijui ngoko cia muntu chungura cia muntu tote kwenda kinya kuigwa jau. Of course we have to continue to work with the security agencies. Na inao kuigwa kiantu inao kuigwa kwina to gaps.
Okay. Yeah. Na isio ngapo kondo feel. Kuna mtu kumira ask Kadhurima, is there a possibility that opposition will do a zoning in Meru or JR Marete, Munya and Lintori will face each other at the ballot?
They will face each other at the ballot.
Hey. The shortcuts.
Hakuna shortcut. Hii tunaenda paka kwa debe. Because one, Peter Munya aina kiama kiawe. Kia PNU.
Yes.
And he's determined to go with it up to the end. Medeka ke DCP, enyawa ali determined. Nonga kedra medeka nonturimo na karaja aka akwenda kuicheria kire ntoidinkia. Nonga kedra bakera no ndipo kuma from the same area. Baga ne bete kanire nau. Haya batu na tuwe na Marete. Tuwe kanire tutena Jubilee yetu paka kwa debe. So from batu mwana tumetementi. Na tuenda kujukia was our biggest voting block. They meant. Lakini even though to campaign the whole county, not meant only.
Yes.
So ito kwenda kuona ni ambicha ya kwethwa we have to, we are there. Takatu kuga we are trying. Takatu just to test waters. No. The JR is a seasoned politician also. Na gereti MP, na gereti Senate, and this time I think it is his time now. Non to kwethwa policy ile kwenda kujachio ichio hii kwa mheshimiwa akiariria in terms of solving the issues iranto baina chio ichio yutujite achio we want to solve issues according to what people really want and that's what we are coming with it na everything in a solution on to just bitali we have a solution. We want to make sure that we have specialized hospitals. It's not so difficult. Yeah. Kadari sibitari timawe droere mindinde. Sibitari enge droere organs. Ingine iwe ya raw cardio and the like. It is possible. Not one to in a budget. Secondly, that's what people want.
Okay.
Na kede ikanto bakwenda ri bagato kwa tanjara. Kedra ni kemera. Kana agriculture. We want to make sure that tuchwe doko. Ora mirai ka one everywhere. Kinyento bia tubi ka we now. Mombasa ku zero kwena ikwa branded. Bekuma Meru. Mato maja kuma Meru. Jakedo jakendo watimto broka ora now eta kwenda according to what people want. So we want to make sure that Meru betu baba geta kwenda now. Kedere mpoka. Mpoka za kiperichi ruma chiringi dano 10 na 15. Endo weta masabiti ara ruma chiringi kana. What is wrong with our mtoke berichia ayeta empowered ageta kwenda mpoka yu chiringi kana. It is not so difficult. Mira ne gweta Meru ogwikia Mombasa. Ya kana na Nairobi kana nya Kisumu. Actually bari keberwa. Kinya Turukana, kinya Mandera. Ne Meru bagwikia nao na ba kinya nao oro kwendia nao Meru. So why can't we do the same for all the produce? Kenda one okia tunia makali je okia ndo bakodro mtu akaona mbesi nyinge kile kimera kila kulima kebire akadro ina werunu ande pokulima mo alafu nande batu to empower doko like that then we come down here tutegerande kire inputs ibito kanenkera mtojo kedro ni mbeu tubanenkere ndo ja and braba inge, that's what they are saying. Tunenkere mbeu, tunenkere fertilizer, make sure tuinaruji, tunenkere expertise, extension officers. They are there. That's the work of the county government.
Yeah.
Yes. Nande no kinyakere youth. Yeah, kugira. Youth, what they want is facilitation. Jana letu kuona nawe kukari na Mubira, the Governor's Cup, which is very good. Talents ichumaira now. Lakini nandere, how sustainable is it and for how long? Na yes, the finals najojo toko chiringera mbwebe mono. Amo ambiro na arare ina mchezo hiyo radhideirwa. Nondurande kedara ni gutega talent. Ibu gutega kuma mwambiro na are. Dai World Cup ni kwendere. Ukona baraba kwenda kwa kuchwa players. Baba chwere from the first game up to now. Up to now the last game na Nairobi finals. So it is the same thing. Nande tunaona governor wetu yes, finals imepigiwa mbomba kweli kweli. Hata kuna Brazilian ameletwa all the way. Mbechira tumeretenti mbechinga na hiyo. So it is something to do with Nande, you as the leader of the people. How are you understanding your people? How are mahitaji jauri weje wate?
Okay.
Ini hata kwenda kudidhia ura kulingana na bakwenda kenda bona kila bakwenda.
Yes,
That's what we are looking at.
Okay. Kuna mtu wetu wa Naril are watching live from Kandombe. Wakili Olive is the right person. Is the right person for the event North and Meru at lunch. Beauty with the brains. Okay. Ibwega sana Naril. Then kuna mtu wetu Faith are learning from Olkalau. Let leaders speak peace, unity and not division. Then kuna mtu wetu Alex are watching live. I think the Menti resident should vote this lady not only because of women leadership, but she is also smart. Thank you sana Alex. Then kuna mtogo wetu Joseph arua wacheupe, salimia wageni sana, waambie tunapenda vile wana articulate maneno, ambia Olivia tutampigia kura, na pia Kadhurima mwambie tunajua ni mtu wa JR sana na tunajua sera zao pia ziko sawa, tutawapigia wote na Mungu awajalie. Okay, mbwega sana Joseph. Then kuna mtu wetu Tesh arua no Menti hapo vipi, tuko ndani mpaka masaa yake. Then kuna mtu kuete alitoa Cowboy News arua ask Olivia, do you trust IBC to give free and fair election in 2027? I think hiyo tuliuliza na ukajibu. Kuna mtu wetu Favor arua kaba Olivia Gacheri Mogambi MP North Menti ibwega sana. Then kuna mtu wetu I think hiyo imejirudia, niyo nimekuuliza. Then kuna mtu kuwa ask them why is Kenyans doing a lot of demonstrations every now and then. Every now and then. You too.
Yeah.
Na one word. Mbona Kenyans wanafanya demonstrations kila wakati?
No tupotena atongeria bakubwariria. That is a simple answer. Bodrezo abwe na atongeria bakubwariria, potethwa abwe demonstration, potethwa abwe kotini. Maandamano, court cases, petitions, bodrezo abwe ngogene cienu, bokimenya atongeria bara bothurite ibakubwariria bunge.
Okay.
No tubokwethwa atongeria kana bara bale utongeria ne. Bateko leta issues according to what we want. We have to do demonstrations here. Na teta continue. Actually roji rungi conservatory orders. Na inyoka tegenya ya strip. Rungi ki court. Tipo takabara rungi bakienda. Tukwira court yete on the ground kuona kedro ni kuendelea. They baitere interview onde. Machinery chonde. Kenda bona ni iba kudingata conservatory orders check out. So why are we doing conservatory orders? Negeto with demonstrations on the street. It is because the government take one jaka what we have said we don't want. Kedidorake kodidwa to be serious. So government should take us serious. Toga to take one again to kido mutu na jwetu. Yeah, we are serious about it. Can't you look for an alternative? Any other alternative. So the government is not connecting well na wananchi. But kuiga nerua. Na the government irenda kuyake ku force the things that they want. Paketo kana iko to kwenda. And also they have some selfish interest inside there for personal gains. and even maybe contracts and all that.
Okay.
Yes.
Kwena mtakumbira uliza wakili kuna shule inaitwa Good Shepherd hapa North Imenti sendi ya Gakoromone Gakoromone Koje sendi ya Koje. Hiyo shule imekuwa na sewage kila wakati inatokanga kwa barabara inaingia kwa hiyo maji iko hapo. Kuna mtu amewahi shughulikia kindly, hata kama hatujakupatia kiti unaweza ukatusaidia namna gani, manake hii mambo ina post threat hata kwa wanafunzi.
Okay. Ima bota nenkera giti endi ngotarajia buka nenkera giti kenda mbethura ndina mandate endi ndi umwe wenu gachwa mubunge uria wikuna arwa tumurie kiuria kiu na tumurie what can he do for us.
Yes.
Because he's still in office, we still hold him accountable and he's still responsible. Ko nande uria kiuria kiu ancho yake Facebook tugwatane na bangi twite tukuria kiuria kiu twi wananchi ba North Imenti.
Okay. Then akwena mtokuwa anaitwa Salome. Mimi ni wa kutoka hapa Imenti. Nataka uambie Kadhurima ambie JR Marete atembei sana kwa wananchi, ni kama afiki ground sana.
Tunakuja kama tujafika kwenu, tunakuja tuenjerene ndito gweta muno na uje county nene, lakini tukeja kere everyone ndo tuno mwaka tudithie according to all anto bakwena otionge tukaria tukwija ya kuma next week tukambira kuthiuru kanande kona mbunge la wananchi sort of platform tukeja kire small towns tuya tukajadiliana boka atwira what really you want tukabwera na what it is possible can legally kudingata sheria na kudingata budgetary allocations irachi tekeretu so tukaranire je ujonde ndo kwena intobira you can we sewage me mono te MP it is the county government ndo who is controlling mayors it is the county government kedra sewage ni kume gatonya whatever it is the nguge county government so no mwaka tuerewe sheria mrema imbie kuga ke buge turajira bukwenda na tubwire legally what is acceptable and policy wise imbio ba wete kirwa ndo every project the county government no mwaka etekirwa control of budget what they get outside the scope etekirwa so tunande ke kujadiliana na kuria au nona to kereano na tuereano then we are going to do exactly what we have agreed as long as it is legal and the policy wise is accepted.
Na nkiongera nini au uria tukuga civic education on the roles of each of your leaders. Na ndi kinya responsibility ko thithia siweje county government endi no kera county government is your MP. Your MP is
the
your voice.
Role.
No ntobotemba kwithira winde buringitera ini au anto 100,000 bakiuga maoni ari MP wenu okajukia maoni jenu na nwewe tukuria kiuria ukuga na ta kwauga ukutwikiria mauni jau bakareta mantu jau tukwenda mubunge is your voice nwewe ubeta kuria kiu kinya ke county government kiuria kiu na national government.
And by the way on that I agree with this I know that school it's iko chini hapa ito Good Shepherd na in fact mubunge wa North Imenti nyana amethithirite na ramikire rwego yonthe amirigira na rwego ruthongi sana na siwendi itigago
ande siwendi ndeneri
itigago egiteko wau na it's a serious matter by the way.
Yes,
so
kaire priorities tije kija kithithia jau ke chukuru eu ketha na borete kana ugire kathithia fence nije taingi no ibo kara na antu bau na parent and teachers association okaboria what are the priorities here, what are the key issues na oria muntu oria kiuria oria how it sounds it's a priority. Now and it would have come out ketha na oboririe kiuria becha intumire na are nenkerwa priorities.
Okay. Na ke kuriungo kuku nenye mtongo gwito gikundi arimbira no egembe arimbira woni JR Kinoti namsikia na namuonanga sana kwa TV na nasikia anaomba kiti lakini huko egembe hajawahi kanyanga kabisa. Tunakuja
yenda ivera na wako wali lakini gegembe tunakuja tigania tunakuja kila mahali tunakuja na itweje tena maybe hatutakinyira babu lakini nyegembe itweje tena tutakinya everywhere but we are coming na tukathiurunka uthena tutithiurunka lakini aomba ko tukinyira ndo nako tuna kile mitandao na twarire kire mitandao eu either Facebook kana TikTok kana kana nya Instagram na twaririe ugatunenkera contact chaku na nara ule ugatura you can organize for a sitting that we can come.
Okay, thank you so much. Ndenda kuthome mwisho SMS ni mingi lakini hatutaweza kusoma sababu ya time. Kuna mtu kombera wacheupe mambo, salimia wageni sana na uambie vile wanaongea vizuri, ni kama kweli wanakuwa ni kama lindasi wazuri. Lakini Olivia nimemsikia leo na nimeona ni mtu anajua mambo na kuna experience kama vile alivyosema, and I'm very sure watu wakimsikiza watampatia hiyo kura, lakini mwambie sasa pia yeye akuje ground wengine wamjue.
Mbejete na imbitete muno ndambiririe musafara jo only 2 months ago na 2 months you I have learned a lot from the people na inkuendelea kuisha kou bambetere na baria bakona mantu ija thuki muno join Facebook une mukambira na aria mbija no to indirita one step at a time ende tutina time kou ibabwe kinya bukambangira nesemanyo yu bukambira naru atwiaja ija utukethie twarie tukwire maoni jetu na oni borombe kura kou bugakira konpa maoni jenu buru au Facebook une kenda mbenya kinya na ata bukuthugania na
Facebook gwitate
Olivia Gasheri Mugambi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yenu gwitate
Kinoti JR.
Okay.
Kinoti Marete JR.
Okay, thank you. Parting shot tukimalizia.
Wata kirankera meru wetu mbere ma inkubwira bututhikire ubu ko tuthikira tuerewe ibiongo tubureterete nundu turenda kuburetera utongeria bwina sheria ndene na bwina policy level ndene kena nde tukithithia jara kwenda tuthie kuringana na uria sheria igwitikiria na uria policy ya thirikari igwitikiria kia muthia ituike peace ituike amani tukenda kuruithwa tukenda kuranga tuturana na antu bande itumenye batu turi antu bamwe so tukenda kuruithanwa itukare turi antu bamwe tuije twathukia nthiguru iji turi thai no thina tukethora twino na inya na nde na campaign chetu tukauga kana nde utu wetu mtu athithia ka antu kawe antu ibakwenda kuja kuthukiria ungi bukatuma gunziu chikeja jigatwangaratania we should not ituthikire antu bonthe kuringana ukagera antu maiga anga ukenda batekarie no ituthikire antu bonthe na tumenye kire tukathithirwa ni atongere barai na ituthikire as many as possible so but itu yite on the ground tu na kinoti aiza kinoti Marete JR for governor itu yite down na ronga merite na gite na kiama kia Jubilee we are coming on the ground na tukijana Matiang'i next month we are coming on the ground tukaraniria na babu through a public participation mbunge la wananchi twereanwe kena tumenyana ndi from there what we are going to do different kenda butete kaburi antu betu bamiru.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Parting shot
ekwa ndi kwambia musafara jojo akuchwa kitiki na ndaria na antu ba North Imenti I feel very encouraged. Antu ba North Imenti are ready for change na bari mbira mantu ja handout bagutiga najo mantu ja irumi bagutiga najo barenda kuthikira antu bonde beje bende sera ciao na babire ura bakomba gwitango geu. That is what I'm getting from the people of North Imenti. I feel very encouraged for those 2 months I have been on ground. Bonde bariuga nande tugeta 2027 we want to change the face of our leadership. We want competence kurukia gituma. We want competence kurukia mbecha na kugorwa. Ibo bakumbira u. Na bari mbira ibo aretari tukaria. Ende umenye kinya twaria. Ketha uteumba ngugi tukakwa tutekuthura. Ni bakumbira. Na bara bange beja batunenkira tukaria. Na no tebietu. Bariuga nande tutekwenda 2027 tutigwa nyuma kairi. 2027 turita twina mawazo jetu na tugitega ure ogeta gutwariria ndo tutumba gutura tuginyuma ko I feel very encouraged and I see a shift in how people are thinking, not just North Imenti but generally in Kenya nonto nande Gen Z te bau barakurire they process political information differently mantu ja jonde to kwaria ukaigwa ekuru beto bagi process differently na Gen Z bagi process differently Gen Z barithikira bakona inanga atetheka ina opportunities ikaumira te urenga atetheka as an individual and how will it be sustainable for me to be able to build myself in the future Now, Gen Z, we cannot ignore them anymore. They are the biggest voting bloc. Now, they are the ones who are going to be the change makers of 2027. Akuru betu, batotongerete na bakitu nenkaira mawaidha. Nonto iba kumenya ina atumite. Na Gen Z irachiba berbere, twauma aria. Bukeja gutuchokio, twina babu nande, butuike na mbere.
Kabisa.
Kwa uoni North Imenti, bigitwe, it is the right time for us to have that change. Na tutekwenda recycled leaders bakuchokeria nonto iba tegere na bona batingana batiumba ngugeu bakithura raim jathatu abonere baria bari ku batingani ko woni kinyande Greenhorn mwanasiasa mpya I'm encouraging also others to come out professionals ekurojani Gen Z baria bakuona bakomba gwitangugeje the time is now. Tokareka anto ba keep recycling the same leaders na bote nao ba gutwikia. Ko woni te okira bange beja. There you got twin the twije. So we can give North Imenti the best option because North Imenti is ready for that change and they are ready for the best option.
Okay. Wow. All the best. And all the best on behalf of Banamareti.
Yeah, we are there and we are coming in a big way.
Okay.
Kera kia beru peace.
Peace.
Yes, ukagera nguni you don't accept to be a goon.
I agree.
Manda kugera maiga metia ngawot. No.
Yeah.
Ito dikanire twereano.
Fair enough.
Kwa kidha tulingera kura potulingire. Kidha bado tulingera ni sawa lakini itweke peace.
Itweke peace.
Na tukai na tika kutikira tongeria bamwe baraba kuyana mantu jampado.
Okay.
They are there. Yes.
Okay. Ipaka sana batakiri vile TV na batakiri wa FM. Thank you very much. Nonto bakudhora mara batu kumakagita karatu ambiriri na mwaka thaito mbakudatu kitirikiria ingwitikio kuthoma mantu jairi jathatu ketherati kumikana ketherati yonde utiaga kintu kirora gwatakiri rwadi runthe lakini bwega nonto bakudhora mara batu kumakagita kwa ambiriri and thank you inya babo nonto bakubweta na bukeya abo bakudhora bukiariria amiru tukwendera tukubuthongi na bujurithani mwe mwathani mwankira ntukwerujo tukomba kudatu tirimana kairi na raka memene Kadhairi FM kwa media kithake ruki thaa 12 mwanka thaa 4 uni ukambeta jeri wa cheupe lakini nkuririkania ntuko cionthe rira twititekeri siasa inkwira ntuko ngakwira watu kuringa kureku tafadhali ukaringa kura na nkoro ringa na mathuganio tupatane.
Thank you.
Hatua chapa na ndaka ichindire mainda ngiri 5 ya beti yaku onyuma ya ndeka 20 wacheza na chiringi 20 ugaichindira ngiri 100 na wacheza na chiringi 40 ugaichindira chiringi ngiri